Ampa yenyame ayewie. Abuja check the time now 22 after 3. Utie 106.3 Adom FM. We OfieKwanso for today, Tuesday. It happens to be the very last day in the month of August 2021. Nyame ya Adom no de ochana chen ya. Ye bowra bosome foforo mu. Yes. Nti if you kon bibia beba say September, October, November, December, neba. Ochana bibia beba. Ochana bowra bosome foforo. Na ene adwuma wo fia doso pa. Ye beni na muni abema Jerry Justice na motimeke Papa Bills wa African wa James Town Jekoa. Ye no tena free sabre kopem se bebo nwume no nsia. Na ye nua ba ye bibia Sisi Chum enso e wa ha. Na odenyon foforo aba. Ya enei ye tie sa nwom no na ya hwe se de tie ne adi hu nkomo. Enti ye de no so eto aso sesi a de be sen koye ono ane nwom a de da sie nso di uhine Sisi Chum emu ode yie pa na me de ba ko bi ba se twemu on eno kwa wie na happen na ye di nkomo na ene de no fofo kra no yatimi a premier no so Nenso say medical dey ato anim na business if you are do so pa me ma refi enenso me activate phone lines na mo afre na eye obasima seal ada ye kan ho asem no ye bisa questions kakra dey afa ho utimi bo modern awo a che dey ya wo gi dey akọ eti hye no so ema me why meantime Vodafone say kan cho say ni wakofa Vodafone 2 match business e dey aba. Now, the ATOD way Abano said no two businesses are the same. A few phone calls between colleagues and then, to the team, WhatsApp group, not so, they could see a bulk SMS to clients. Every business be our different needs. And until end of Vodafone 2 match business, Emma, the best mobile plan on the market with awesome value for amazing results. And they will be so with me design wow mobile plans. Now they are Kasawa tested. According to your unique business model, it's a Vodafone 2 match business. And the flexibility, you are between their customized or voice, SMS, and a data plan. Now, a business and a budget as well. So now you can grow your business to match your ambitions with more in your mobile package at the same price. When you join up, person signing up, just SMS start. That's START. to 050-777-9000 or send us an email via vodafonebusiness.gh@vodafone.com. Vodafone, together we can. They say Malcolm Ayekesiapa, a Malcolm supermarket, now bigger and better. You can walk into any Malcolm supermarket. Now wide range of products. Nina beda wabem, the opebia onsa etimiaka. Yes. Malcolm, where Ghana shops. Tuna wana sheshe krom. Who Malcolm be a ben wa boremu. You yani na onsa kafriwa. Patro area you said another be a can for my one. Puma drinks, say ye cola and now say ye orange. Now san count there. Ne feeling, ne ko anymore. Forward ever, backwards never. You need to be brave. You need to be confident. Be determined. But most of all, be joyful. Treat yourself with Puma drinks. Yes, Puma drinks. A whole new vibe. 150 pesos respect now crown. They are available at our major distribution and wholesale points in United. For bulk purchase, no Africa Sapreco Company Limited on 0262 351 251 and Kratwe FDA Imushi Mwaja to so how be anyway. Rent to own now, there be a bond that road travel. And they want the promotion, just say, what's out to much in the crowd. I know one friend of plus one promo. Ninja say, what when you saw bet me Johnny Affiliate Housing Cooperative, no. Now what me a special benefit. When you know what the man wife is able to the 31st of October 2021. Oba Beji Dine. I say, oriented Dine out Timu out to your can crack crab or smell. A dine canana would you and Jebe as a dina baby or there. Sounds a bit me a more assassin. I'll bet me a dude media beer or so your business beer. It's Bomodian Saone. The Plant City Extension Project for a bedding it on it me about our Sacrano Esro. Way cities and habitats. Ningo Pram District Assembly with support from the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development and our faith the UN Habitat Akabum Edebrewo. When it is showing one patch of phrase 055-553-0300 and I'll say 0577-911-101 and I'll say 055-704-6435. Website a new Accra.city. The Plant City Extension Project, shaping Ghana's urban future. And no, awesome, I don't know. Okay, into this one from Sisi Chum. Where any anymore or the buyer just say, enche your crowd. And as I say, what if from the booming victory? Come on! Come on, y'all. yeah, but rem na fe ye ne yes chuma atraso sesia. But man rem free say MTN Guswa is celebrating the 25th anniversary, you know. They say you know say nei or more akwanya mo atimi anya brand new Sonata, sleek one power, heavy power, mako 25 there Joe. We are wada obenya there. We MTN at 25 mega promo. There's how you say Koswa. Ne kasa, ne test, ne browsing. Our browser use your MTN app no, and our Plus app no, and now Mumbo no. What you say? Ne gather more points. Now Benya Kwenya say one of the 25 brand new Sonata and bit me out there. Any of the cash prices P and also a tate tree. The patro when you share one. Now person don't would Jimmy now Nyakaibia. Go on and dial *156# and begin your journey to win big. Only on MTN. Everywhere you go. Terms and conditions apply. Zijuma kwaba.
Yeah.
So mami bi aboko there.
Yamia Dumbraja.
And then yamia se pa na ye bending come home. Kakra na ya hwe. Enum no ho asem waka. Nenso ansa na no. We dey mami permission kakra bi. Na Mefa you can and I'm sure how you're going to react to this one.
Other for me didn't this Sissy Chum. That the BMT irrigated sports. There's no day minty irrigated because minty I'm stressed.
Oh, sorry, guy. Sorry.
What is that? I'm not saying about that. Me, I'm answering.
Yeah, easy. It's all good. Right now, Adom to say.
Adom, Raja, Bibiaboko.
Yedanyamiasi. Na, ude enumi bakui ba de na me born na SCA victory. And shut that and chebiasa, sa. Ena was I den for ebe. Na anyibia and she no at the same say single all day bad to so na waka bu mu and ba ko say album na say send community.
Okay, victory no. And no album so. Victory no any do him.
Oh, okay.
Amen. And like no album I may release it.
Oh, all right.
In 2021 idea I think a fresh one cry.
Oh, okay. It's winning for cry.
2021 project.
Great.
Yeah.
Yendi nyum no ho komo kakra eba ne sen wan e tro nyum no ho some to saying
okay brother enyum we mi ana me try me da ho na like ebisi ma no say meto nti asa meto na me say okay asa de e be fa bisa no nti na masato and I me record it too.
Wow.
Nti me record it too na me call me music director no ho kwabi
me feeling no asa wa deserve me adare pa Charlie that pacha utie me am try oh no the way am feel no o dey ye be shia
you go what I'm saying and make a menya nyumbi o na me hu se ne o say o tournament ti me to na ya born them to no so so mama we be fa o ni za ba enyuma e modu
yeah
and na ye keka bo mu ana ne yeah, I just say okay. Ya record was studio sir, but this time around in yes some kakra.
Okay.
Into when I live recording. When I studio question booth what to na no.
Wow.
And live, we be out to be alive, sing everything.
Wow.
Yeah, live.
Wow. And but tell me, how was it like? Recording live. Now over the years now, I question booth more studio. Now it be a mistake. Be a crab now. I go back, take this side again. Yeah, they no more till say mobile perfect. And this one doing the recording live. Now, how was it like?
Easy because on say we should put na to na utia and dia utimi as an answer nipa no you know ultimate the computer and correct but when no dia watu no utia as an
enya bete
sana baba and ejuma and you get the feel no and past years in like omo ni me pa no omo ni senior metonyum like omo me performance live I was stage and as omo tie me nyuma Omo difference na say nti obi on me say me to nyum da no otie me nyum a do aye ne da nyum no but on say me to nyum live I say any dabi and you not to nyum was because totally different.
Yeah.
I quite say me ko booth mana machine cake like mean to me but me live a different thing. I mean I'm saying no. We want to bring out that thing in you, no. So we turn you live. I say me Etienne when you're recording live.
So you had all the instrumentalists on now.
Everything keyboard is
and I feel I'm Mr. Matthias because meeting you na getting to the tail end of the song one. Now it's a for so on him it's not me come dream say bia from the beginning the first time I listened to the song I could do now you him Abraham me dream say bia wife feature now him Abraham now friend no
him miss you
no me dream say bia you feature her on the song
I saw the
it's me you say
unless you watch the video before you get to understand say the entire friend
it's do one of Nasi no him happen no friend or him akunu so am to nwum no bia ma.
Me say asa no, they want to give me the dance. Asa no.
Oh wow. Any live recording head there.
Live recording head there. We share the panel reaction.
You man home but you
and carbon so anga say no.
Wow. Because you need to get all of them there.
Exactly.
But if a studio there na engineer na ate wa no producer na
anga say to me we your friends are backups no
yeah but this one there you need all of them to be there. Wow. But Eban say now decided to go that way though.
And I make and say like they really know what's in me, no.
Yeah.
They really push me a lot. Me too no. Though I know what God has given me, though, but I am a bit relaxed. I am I say me chincha nyama so kakra but omo me honi dey na omo nti ase kakra say I carry this and I am this relaxed nti I no one person they keep pushing me so no mommy yenye say no mommy nti kwabi kro ya woni be and of you
say this one they have to do live
mommy we dey yenye recording live
wow
and I'm say kwabi sike no say sike no
you have to do it
and in fact opimpia me ana
that's nice. That's nice. Na prof ho.
Na prof ni ho. I dey na me recording na to go Kumasi.
Oh, okay.
I man you kra to ya ma flight ni kra anko.
Oh.
When ya anko na ban so na ya bo.
What do you mean you feel of it? Anyway, it was a song that God gave to you.
Yes.
Kamu asem kakra che ansana ye ne atifu ache enwom no.
I say there is nothing he can't do. He's the God who sits on high. He sees and hears every prayer. There is nothing he can't do. His name is Jesus. The Rose of Sharon, Lion of Judah, he's Emmanuel. And Christopher, dear, we believe in Jesus Christ, and we know Jesus is the only answer to every problem. And see, and then no, this song can, push the name of Jesus Christ. And me pese Yesu dinina, ye pese ye maso. And we are singing who ye nyankopon say, indeed is the only answer.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Therefore, men yet in Timbia, and you know, the Bibia is sorted. Nyame Adom manya kwanya na tietie mu ani ade na yama musu muntie bi na actually no go and stream it say video no
YouTube
who say are you ready on YouTube near there and then the song to all the platforms amount for benya it's moon streaming why all the onya bosses twum no na unya ye his name is Jesus. No, unyan trom you crumble and no ade atwa so. His name is Jesus net was. Na babia muslim na enko kama sa ade ade. Antipacho brand new one from Sisi Chum. His name is Jesus. Nice. Beautiful. Therefore, said the Etieno Enono. His name is Jesus. New one from Sisichum. In the can say, one casa kona eko hwechira kwan. Because they say there's an air chrono. What I say, to all the platforms in now. So for no chrono. So far, so for one we and you recording session you grant on you. We refuse grass or not trying to so for the amount. One crown out through. Oh, but it came out nice. Very beautiful. But there's a video, very beautiful. Like, and the video, no, ever more complimenting more because said, oh yeah, come. Give me the dance. So beautiful. Let me see audio now. Now this is the crown. Oh, Ben or friendly. Now and you be all future. Oh, come in there. Senator said it was a live recording. I love it. And there are lots of messages coming through, but and then I can say pressure, but we really wanted to do this now. At least, can you mean what I'm for? And then you premiere, I find time. Now you didn't come on here for an idea, and brief name, no, you really say, you know, the Hunyan say. Kona koshe nyum next year ko YouTube be share video na dia what I say na emwa ministry na bibia nso etimi ko yi sisi ye beda wase but yetimi ma nko keke ye mo akwanya no na o asem bia pese o kadema a church for fans ne omo aboa una especially those guys who work on this project instrumentalists no usually I area you but almost play vital role and they did very well on this song so open so show appreciation to them on
say Kwabi so unim Kwabi your footprint no brand now your footprint or no recording sa enyum way na Prince Senna and the bass no and our keyboard so Patrick Pinkra you know and lead guitarist and also or example Bafo na ball lead guitar no kuku na ball trumpet no and I'm because me bo Beavis near in the betcha Beavis nyina nyamisha mu nyina and nipa baako a oboa me yie papa ni ono amu no manager osan ye bass guitarist ono ansan ye PA Robert yamisha no wosuma ne hene ha just ona adwumede beba so nyina up and downs ni nyina oye ni nyina hwe se adwumede ebeba so Robert yamisha no background am so late no went me bedru ha afenso yamisha Prophet Alex Chum the bia den empire ball I time me like won't me cause see you hona ebe yeah or shaming crying yamisha papa and no be biara like or two ni bottom and the support is our project way no because I'm saying yankopon with due time in member hanom na mabebo bom ready one by one you see ada journey but me da metie for nyina me da me fancy for nyina say I almost so me am so yete won kan che na da ben but sisi you be on pray no ho me pese ade ne me ya na ma ye ni ye kama into no dia me dia betu mama muni uma ye nyina ye fan sorry nya me ne peje Yesu din kese en koso
great on shira on so ya da se obesra ye nya me kan on sisi
amen on kan on.
That's it. So go stream it. YouTube, Sissy True. His name is Jesus. African Mama Pen and Pepper 9 confessions and trust is here. I was your time now, so I activated phone lines now. What de ane say o de frɛ o fra member odin baby a o kasa free so menka na yenhwɛ problem ko a wo no na later on yene a counselor Oscar Shipi ebeto aso so 0302216561 0302216562 if I check any problem bia o de relax men frɛ why na emu no obi o problem na wo kan na wati actually ho afutuo ni akwankyerɛ ne ba na wafa bi dia to kotodwem why any problem a me sɛ wada men frɛ why wonim sɛ ɛba no sɛ yɛ refresh yɛ ho a Ghana ha de obi ani gye ho pa yes enti de wo ye bia sabre ɛsɛ utimi ɛpɔse kakra na opɛ pure refreshment kama pa adema ho they made me recommended adema an ice cold Pepsi what the more day yankasa Pepsi the only say what the now they are ice cold Pepsi and now Mirinda who's the air the pa Mirinda 7 Up whoa 7 Up to suppose a bubbles near Basa and now Mountain Dew Nina no a wonder from 1 city 20 pesos per now so pause to refresh with your favorite tasty and rewarding ice cold Pepsi, Mirinda, 7 Up, and now Mountain Dew at 1 CD 1 CD 20 pesos only. 1 CD 20 pesos only. Any retail outlet, because you deserve a true refreshment. You know what I'm saying? Next time she said Pepsi. Same great taste now. Same great price of 1 CD 20 pesos now per bottle. Remember if it's a Pepsi, Mirinda, 7 Up, Mountain Dew. Nina a good quality international brands. Papa. What is it? Okay, so it's confessions time. Obey to me and phrases here. Anti ubetimi afre na fe yedi nkomo problem na ha wo no na yenhwe baby a yede be kwa kosi ye counselor Oscar Shipi ebebam na emuaye ana kwankyere ana futuo bi ehu bia no ode amay. Hello, good afternoon.
Good.
At the same
But you know,
yes, me we pam pacho yentie wasem ade na mo wie
no wait the masam na say me papa no baby na yam to na
o papa ne oba bi tran o mo twen promo aware
me pata be 6 years
on be 6 years
but
okay
ama me papa be free enti me papa free mo no ama me papa kuma ekwa ma me no ho asem say because of that me ma me no me papa janti o mo nya oba ma me nkotena me papa ni ma yekuna yesi me papa wiye bibia wiye no asase me papa to ma me no ma ya cha asase no muti ama me papa ni ma wati na they say dan me papa si dan ne dan prami si la to ba kun and on what 12 when so on no ti baby so kaya ko hono ma bibi ba ne ye ko hona o medie dan na ma ye on pese be di enti na se ye bi ba ne ko sia ne ye se ye ba gi ki ma o se yan san ya ne kwan ansa no di ti ne be ma ye o di ma ye ba enti aso ye yan ti asie enti me se me fa me di atu ani na ono kansela se pa ye no
Osimunya no kwan sesen. As a compensation bi mdam kakra.
Yenya no kwan sika, ba sika no do mo obo. Me papa ni ma am pa dan le no pe won bi. Just ni bi, me papa bi ya wa sisa ni na. That's what we want. We need the for them where I'm packed out in the one other. Kapa ya mi mu kwa wunya bi ofi ho.
Ka fra sa mesri na we anyway, yeah that's why nti yeah the better counselor ni why.
Not
Good. You better ask me if I next caller. Asemo. Hello. Hello. Too bad. Onikrono on Timinka. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Patro, what you saying?
Patro, yo.
You. Nyamias. Yeti was a mad namo ebemena.
Okay. Patro. Maybe problem is there. My master business for 3 years. And I see I'm telling you.
3 years.
So what time? It's your me that. Yeah, so for me for 2 months. It's a conversation with the council. What are they said and how they be waiting?
Who person Ujayon?
May Jai.
Where Jai bear how many? Bear 3 also bear 3 months.
Never try.
And as you say, who person council them out?
Like said, if it's be waiting and I said, because now first I'm a person I mean to me.
But as you see, they wait me.
Never try.
Tiani Twaswane show so sa kuzie wie.
Yeah, Patrick.
And now I say bia the why no for the past 3 years no ehun sunsun so bi o a e be di wachi on. And the hunu won. Yene councilor Bekasa. Why?
No, Patrick.
And that's it. Next caller. Yene ono son twas. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Odo you be aboko there.
Adom.
Great. Mpacho enti we.
Virgin Pacho said and say, and I like or democracy, they pump, and my palm. Virgin say my palm, 1 year. Since I'm home, my name is say, they send the plan, I must say, I'm not before. And me and my year is no think I can't kind of many and I'm a day apparent container. And the assem, Mammy, I'm a here and a catcher said something. And I'm a catcher by Miss I am a catcher, no or see what if you understand me, say, Miss Can, I say, Miss Can be 18 minutes can catch anything can you the park construction. And while we say, and I'm a whole famous and I made them and I want to be shop. Virgin, like, say, shop for the price, you win and the shop will be so good, the minute they and so on.
Still out on it, Hello? Hello? Mrs. Still out, Ugusuni want Trinity.
But trying to like men.
Enna, I say, will be a shop no, or so paper $100.
Yeah.
By shop no, so 1 year be
Menya.
It is a Siano, or problem, then say, and can want to know a bit me. I can't honor
a shop my cousin, but like any idea, the best shop on personal business, Emma, for year, a junior be a general or bomb a 3.5. Virgin, mammy, a scanning man. Mrs. Minnie said a meeting this son and I'm scanning the shop.
Or Bob Bessia few
Pachan.
Enna, Bessin and on from our way.
Pachan.
Enna, what catch and say 1 year shop. It's in commercial and also say, oh, my.
Pachan.
Who on feel better saying?
Pachan 24.
24.
Pachan. Yes, oh, you know, compare the can 0.5 now. Oh, come shop.
Now, says here, maybe I was here also when you have this S came or this S can no catch us also 2 free if you are and you so ending.
Oh, but I didn't get me, Busan, specific dinner and comfort Jesus can. Me, Busan go, but better is a crime and not like. Okay, me, not so there. We need scarcity in power the best of us in the company. At least, can question the old game.
A honor dear, a honor dear, a honor dear. You, Miniaba, Yate was seminal. Into there, you had a better counselor in him. Why? na ya hwe de ebi fi mu aba ebre no ko yemfa ba ko na yemfa nsori so yemfa last one na yemfa ensori so hello
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What to say?
Pataya.
You, me patro, yenti wasem wa odina mo ewie, why?
Patro. Me mama ma ye 4. Me mama no, mama no. Bam patro, me papa free mo 2015 no. Ena ebusiano, I say ebusiano say ye me fie ni ade. Nti omo ti ya yensi papa nti omo twa sika ema obema ba ko ena oba ba ko no omo na omo enyi kakra nti ye ko ye no na ayese kakra nti ye no ena me sita bufu ye se ono no sika na odi boa ye na ye di ye no oji ni sika nti obi ankasa na mpanyimfo no esena asena mo bitane se ne sika sen ena ewo ena eka sen ena wabo ena ho na o hye no nsu se onti asika no nti o kan se onu de onim na ni papa wo koko nti saade a yenkoton na yemfa betia nika up to now asem no wo ho saa yesi sapeni a yene no ho oni yen kasa te ye mami te mi bra penny aya ade te wa ye ni papa yi sana ye se mi mami kan e na obi ntu be ka tere ne se o mami te unia be man wa ya ade pa wa siesie ni papa sisi a ento kwasi ono no
okay me ba hello in the say no o sister penny no ni buafu because o brother no na say I say ye boni din say ono na watimi aye mo papa na yi no ntin because of that no one mo nkasa biem
ani
na we so
afen so o si oji ni sika na ni kunu na ye boa ye na oto adika nti obeji sa tan
na mo fama ne
sesi a ebusia no so ka ono ankasa ye nkan tere ne ye by a cat and say, like Omukata say, your man is cana, and your obetre fear qua, or film. And Yansu, Cover Fires, a mamma cacaca, one shay na yedi, Skaway manona, or the sube fewa, Obewu.
Samum.
Patine.
Fancy you are not council and trust now. Who are with it? Why? Today, the council bet trust why. Can make them drink a crown, but. Said Papa Bill Sosri said the idea. Me friends you are now. Counselor on the winning na ye. Okay. Counselor Wanso. Oh, hello, Counselor. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Counselor, we did. Gay Yamam Yamasham Kakrem, dear friend was a chassis na. Also, Munya ye, and papa Efimu. Now, almost 4 siblings, 2 boys, 2 girls. No, almost a den years about a bush. Phone catch on say, some ultimate contribution, but no, on papa, you know. It's Ninia Bema Penino, 8 mega days, Kaka Crana, and sister Penino, so Eddie by the Tradaka no Mokoye in that. Actually, no, I say, Ubi a bonnet, ne brother need it, say, why are dear pass away to me? I any papa, like I say, on a BB command because of that, and my sister no. Ebuafu, she's not happy with that. Say, mama no crown so praise you omunuano and not her. Eti nisika or the ma omokoto adaka omofa nisika mano. Eti okana mempoka me ka say ne omofa mane say wa to adaka me ayo papa na wo say unya glory tie ka o ju sika de omofa mana lady no so omokrobofo amamre bebre ho na say lady no abusuafo no kra say o pesa sika na agede a o gede a na che say wo fi abusuanu ena se omo anhwe yi no de sika no so ma na okoso ba abusuafi won so a ono kra lady ni betimi awu tie ho anodi sie nam se ne ho de agi se wa anti we de counselor said the old beti amaye no
people say owu de believe akora wu
And a woman's album, but we are well experienced, you know.
That's life.
Yeah.
The only thing is that this is an issue of if she means that I want to know the manual. If she knows about the replication.
Yeah.
And no, sister, oh dear, what is their problem? I don't know why the ladies are afraid of not your company. When you so sorry, when you choose it, the baby after you. So you know that you will send them. That's what she's telling us to solve.
Yeah.
But the sister didn't say one way. We are yes, it will be clear. And the policy making a cigar. Move on the manual. Now, what I can say is that OBRC, this is the better than for me, OBRC before that kind of thing. The person has done a very good job.
Yeah.
Yes. Because at that time, you need to dark.
Yeah.
If you need to own it, if you want to live, if you need to know nobody, I think anybody will be. At that time, and eventually, you can dead body. No, they didn't do anything.
Yeah.
So, this, then all the contribution with me out to Adaka. You have done a very good job. So for me, I mean, that's what they are talking like that. But so to me, to Adaka,
why be?
What's the problem here?
Maybe the recognition is she's not getting, no?
No, the problem is, and that is society in which we live now. We are living for, we are craving for men's attention, any places, and it's all over the place.
Yeah.
That is the same thing. Everybody is the same. And I love to make about this downstairs and pastors. I will be nothing for more normal come for me. It was a forcing Yamiatum, which is not that among what are that? It is you, Papa. Obi Kasama, what is your problem? But you see, what it shows that at that kind of authority, no perpetrated me. And I am my any problem. Of the human race, and it's not coming. Other than the Bible, listen. On the right hand, you be here, and it's a left hand. Left me here, it's a right hand. And you say, in the midst of all that, no one wants a Daka. What a Daka? You don't need to tell anybody about anything. So, Papa, who you know to Daka and get what? But you see, there is society who give the human attention to applause from men, craving the attention of men, the praises of men. We are not living to please God again, including those of us who go to church. We are not living to please Nami and to please ourselves. You have to know. You near pie say you live to please God and you love yourself. What other can be and come out process your problem? And now in my micro, but you see that the special we believe in. No man, what's the business telling anybody who did this and who did what? Yes, many man business living. The year this year, we are in the country number. We are in the country. We are to Adaka. We are because the year bar. We are on the part of Crete. And I'm a boy.
Yeah, no credit.
So what is the excuse of going to praise one person? What do you think you are doing? So the mother has been contributing to what is happening. And the sister, I don't consider my mother, Mama, they will any guy. Because a year here, and I say, whatever, family will be bad. But we are in the contribution bar. Of course, there will be contributions. Okay? And see, I just said, I'm president, I'm so why are you listen, the little son is senior. Only the season in Qatar. But I know that what is happening is for the sister herself is looking for attention. And now, prepare TMI.
Yeah.
There is program. Only Papa. I have a family business.
David.
Maybe some problem. And then you about the catching purpose say, you go for one in what is that? You think I'm doing that? I'm doing the program because of Jerry Papa? No. So you don't look for any attention. You don't look for anything. But society near a woman, that's what is happening. To be able to be a prisoner. And you push here, all the people to be here. Not like Mr. Pet, who are depressed. That's what is happening everywhere. You will do things to please people. They are too young. Look at that gospel people. Some of them look at their behavior. It's as if they are warning people. But they want to lead to, like, for people to know that also more. Madam, sister, tell your mother that I didn't know you're doing that. She's the reason why there's confusion in the family. We pray to be in the world.
Great. The next one.
I have got you on air.
Oh, yeah, them pepe.
Papa, show us the
Wow. Raise was on any auntie and it's in a what challenge see what 24 years now. Usia Juma and an annual day our upon hona wetimia kwa shop beer a hono pesenka or shene Juma senka crackana. Obe yes kaka krana wa sha say that to nema e dia ko shop no na empo of friend Anthony say shop near ne nsa kan tinka omra no onko che ne shop no ne Anthony no e de kukwasa asa I say chese oni interest wo mti no besi ne wantimi amba ambehwe shop no mpo e na ne Anthony so agi sika bi wono about 350 cedis bi na anka ombe hia say ne Anthony be tues kan mpo di ama no na timidi bi aka wa kototo ne makakra ko shop no no so na say sika no so mai
the part of the
yeah
and the family travel and go for the times you the one that I will talk about that.
Sure.
Bible says the children of Issachar, they understood the time and they knew what Israel ought to do. Time is full of envy and a lot of it. And the opinion of you at the same level, Namit Kijan Katape, not an answer. Sister, Yamina and myself depend on the same God to see you too. When you be most what to know shop. Why are they by inviting your aunt to come to their shop? You have done your work. If she says you come on, move on. That's all. Don't see home shop now. Move on. If you make a say, show respect. Okay. Give them the idea. If they don't recognize, what's wrong with your life? They're not there to account to anybody. If the man wants to worry, you need to say hello. Oh, we need to see. Because they need to buy any and many capital amounts. It's only the answer. They will say, I'm not going to prepare. Oh, that's not the then I get their work done. You see, not when you do this one in measure and care. And I get it. Doctor can also cut them a talk up. Not only the one measure. That's a fine.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I know you can't my worry. In my young power, say, but even a man, you can't kill yourself
at all.
Yeah, you cannot make an banana. Then you hold him well. What what's the money in
that guy?
It is not emergency. Why? You have done your best. I was carrying the money.
Yeah.
The same God who gave her the shop, who gave her the money to run the shop. But also, must say, times when a woman is full of envy, full of wealth, and no, good. And you must take that one into consideration because of the time in which we are. We don't talk about we don't get by any part. The memory is not the running shop.
Okay. Amen. Yo, the next one on also so was about masturbating or say what masturbating be 3 years but for the past 3 months there we try to stop anytime you try be me but now there for 3 months continuously with me ejai na and I'm chance when you with me there said they what me action was non twice to the end but now I say person who say the past 3 years there now why na you be and so boni be any one na
the same then in wisdom any endurance when you have time, you know. I pray that the Holy Spirit will not speak in the spirit. May grace to be able to live for the rest of his life when he had him. It doesn't problem like don't focus and live for God and focus on his life.
Okay.
That's what I can say. But we have to say Yamiadu, which is here, you know. It's a blessing to you. Whatever that you were doing, you know, I've won my to the guy.
Yeah. Okay, so the final one, Osene Papa, any Madam be a date for 6 years, but Nanya ware, and ne Papa no ebe free mu. Papa no wu ye no, omo ye no, almost say abusuafo no say Papa no enya na yere ni woman nti wantimi ametra dwam ye na se okunafo. E no mo aye ye awie. Na omo wie ya Papa na japade na asase no oni omo ache mienu am wafafa afi papa no edan so no woman na gidan na fa so aboso ache se watotum a keys e won ho ayie ba no mo kokromu okra na o mebie dan mo kra na o se da bi nti omo aka se da bi this is not right e say e papa japade o de man maame no finally asem o kan ne se obey release papa na japade na be di ni side ne dia ene e je se abusuafo ni gya ne kwan ansana nti ho na awure so se onte ase wo saa kwan no so no a wo de asemi abedan ye
enye on papa yire
enye ne yire one ne twempena
omo ma me wori
uti mother issue ambam ti am thinking say bia no we ja ware a na e bia no so afim for a long time
yeah simple ni papa ibu saponi sorry. But
yeah.
There's nothing that shows that Warren.
Yeah.
So Warren is here, but on Warren, he claimed the Padina ability. It was a phenomenal one. No one to this floor. Who the money raised out
the Counselor, I don't know the hot mums are national saying. Almost a ramra be so more about almost say when you be cohabitation was a one way in the day for this long years 6 years in there has also wasting how many times tell me say or percent of bina
or we say them the man no say we time
I say we
say we time we not be what he
okay
all right. For the money so that they benefit from the property.
Yeah.
When you about the mom condition, come here again. If I know you change will work up. It's in the gap of the application.
Yeah.
Cohabitation here, Madam Nabidian. It's a funny what? So what is the sound is and I say on the state the demand. Look at the demand.
Yeah, same.
Yes. What that will be to make sure no people
okay. Right. And then that Councilor Hania de Besintino, Uja Quano na and ne Asemwa, what do you mind na your friend to your home for na sorry so.
Yes. You I did know about me. The Bonavas. The man is working. And you never did know them is working. The last time he was in traffic, I was probably small baby. When you do, only some traffic, the man is wet. In a young man.
Good.
My only problem is that home, for us, you are starting to know. One of my brothers at home, personally. Hey, I bet you want to know what you are. I deal with you, school. Now, go to not China. Because society woman. Anybody that wants to do the right thing, I'm not from China.
And then agree.
That's the society in which we live in. Mr. IGP, some of us, they are supporting you. Don't listen to them. There will be envy. People will talk. They will say things. And I'm not going to buy it. And you may now connect it. Your Kuma and a prophet, Mills. May so rest in peace. Or can't say to do airport. Yes, what are you going to be here? Yes. The president said me took they do airport, I won't search me. Some of the journalists, they start on air, not so here propaganda. On my own, Mr. IGP, let me shout. We pray that God will not give the strength and the grace to do what you are doing. I pray that God will protect you and protect your home. Say, don't listen to what they are saying. Lead the legacy. Set your own example. Be on the ground. Know how the people are feeling. Let them say whatever they say. Let them envy you. At the end of the day, one day, your legacy will speak for you.
Amen.
Because we live in a country here, including the church. When somebody is speaking holiness, and some of the pastors don't mind him. They are self-righteous. They were sorry, not JB, and not JB. They are trying to live for God. They say, holier than thou. That's what we are doing. That's the society in which we live in. But Mr. IGP, let me shout. So far, so good. They will envy you. They will speak against you. They will lie against you. But say, God will fight for you. Be on the ground. Know what is happening. And leave a legacy. There is.
Councilor. OfieKwanso.
But we have a for frame you. Councilor, na Jerry. Yeah, Monsieur Baba, Papa,
Bibia be fine, Councilor. Amen. Amen. Amen.
You know, I love you.
Yes. Very, very well.
September.
September, yeah.
Now you never heard.
No cray.
That's what Papa said this day. One warrior.
Was starting. Okay. Then I was a counselor. So that was Councillor Oscar Sripi. And you know, a Christian community. And a confessions, aha. And ye di ACA. But quickly, tie we na take note na a very, 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 very important part. Wunim say bia when you be a woodie na yen tro ho say asichire e was ade na woodie mro and no nche say ade no asichire enim. Yes, there are hidden sugars in food. Enuane bebre won mo asichire mo aduane ayedi enye say bia aduane a wode add sugar e ka ho, but aduane nkasa kwan ne content no sugar e wo mu e ka ho. Na saa enuane bi mu ati say ye no e na yedi a ekofa cavities eba e na fe seproye e de brain bo so ha na so sen e pron kakra na enei dia ban say your trusted and powerful Pepsodent cavity fighter toothpaste ya to your boss fortify no with fluoride complex no and no eboa emene you know ne active micro calcium na ewo mu no e more double action. What I say just a protection papa and na onsa eka enti se wadi aduane bi ana drink bi na sugar bi wom during daytime a boa pow the true si wi a clear ni na. What I say na empo hours after brushing your teeth no kra no atimi ahwe na a repair tiny invisible holes ahodo ni nyina na ama aye kama na fenso anwumere before bedtime obomodia edi twu sisa na ene a Pepsodent cavity fighter e boa ema etimi balls no ban se de be ya cavities bia emamu ena kofa tooth decay e de aba tishen so sa efama na ehye so say Pepsodent cavity fighter are available in all leading shops across the country. Now you turn just 6 cedis per kai. So be call for double action and protection against cavities. Ewa bra or brush your seno twice daily. That's in the morning and then at night before bedtime. Pepsodent ebeye adwumani na ade ama kama. Pepsodent, every smile matters. And one asem no. Abusia ene activities no doso. Na yebehwe na ya ni na ade ama medical catcher say wo achede a ene odi kofi. Pa tishen so sama me. Na ehwe enso hunu say free sabre akopem the 30th of September Pan African Savings and Loans amu akwenya we ya tete promo. Interest rate ya what yen lows no so no yet ni na ba form kude sebe ya betimi take advantage now so they grow business in sha kwan in Greater Accra, Eastern, Central, Ashanti and afi ahafo regions ni nemu yes how they free net share baby awo ya be more direction to the nearest branch now about now near be business your number is 057 555 7777 that's 057 555 777. Choose Pan African. Choose greater strength. You go so account for dominion about powder amount. A draw unya binuma, a boy ye, a more immune system no, it me a very strong a boy anomalize or blood pressure, heart and kidney related problems now a year for your stroke diabetes now and fanaquem grab. But more than PBH quine or herbal shops out in them across the country. The door panel, PMU on Coco, also share Angel Dominion Bar Center, and yes, I'm free 0543 158 195 and our fee 020 429 6449. Dominion about powder, your number one immune booster. She also said floral disposable handkerchief. And so na wetimi edi huni ye kama. We back up people we are disposing of immediately. Tembia now want to kama a better than the usual cloth handkerchief. Also look out for floral toilet roll, floral multi-purpose paper towels, floral table napkins, as well as floral box tissues in a shop near you. Open the door for Delta Paper Mill Limited on 0243 033 033. Cal Kiss toothpaste. In fact, toothpaste I did trim penny for Saint Entrim Colade. There be many yes, I'm mistaken. Ya two boys are wrong, of Franny the end, their mom, come ages 2 to 6 1. The chum say perfecto. We know ye the strawberry are one. It is more the day. It is abofrano cry no your stubborn chili on pa. We introduce Kel Kiss toothpaste the man pa. A dear chia. Both on one quarter toothpaste, not the brush na count their bro. Mommy, brush my teeth for me. So see more day ye. Nani namuno a protected abofrano omogam no. A preventive cavity. Now momo senos are very strong and healthy. Now freshness there, Joe. All day. Modern PBH acquire shops and stores in supermarkets. How do you name? Once count the shares away another quality product if it's Samara Company Limited. Now FDA Emu Mwaja to say Emu Eyepa. Kel Kids happy smile. Almost so you don't want to see yepa. About to also acquire na medical catcher enchebiano ya mo akwenya na so atimi enya achede na ansana no ya fast da Emma Phoenix oil almost kan bi na afutusem ene counselor edema Phoenix oil ene boss oil ye ne apiemu unya bi gu kan mu a car no air running in no na particles bi aba engine mu no oil we air cleaning na by so doing a protect engine no kama na engine no air shi bebre nu no na ensan e cool engine no tie ma engine no na ho den no ekoso tiremu a eche for a very long time. They are available in petrol and diesel variant. Na price also there at that phone book call crowd. Fred 0544 343 674 and now 0544 338 240. Phoenix Oil, Bossu Oil, DBS Industries, and so NMI are losing trusses. What the crew down so sa why Germany navy who say Bibia Ayaboko at the amount. And we are better so kofa wooden trusses e dia kogu dan so enkanka betimi are ebetimi apro ebetimi abu we dey that there enye afebo ebo no so a e da form boko we chia kwa the expenses road ufie so pe no do eye papa restaurant obetimi afre 0240 844 444 ebetimi about site near twa free estimate the amount Kumasi phone fre 050 600 4141 Nata crowd for fre 050 600 4242 na yedin komo MTN adaroma ono so e kan bi na yiti asem we di tuon for and also there's good news for small to medium scale business owners. Ni nansa wakofa SME Plus ediaba. Ene wow, wetimi manage all your operational costs in communication. Na emo akonya no wetimi choose from affordable packages. Now why enjoy talk time, SMS data, as well as business content, all bundled in one subscription. The other exciting news net tech is that unya free on net calls every Monday from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. When did you want? Just go on and dial *5060# to sign up today. Bet me so send a WhatsApp and our free alpha number we so 0244 308 111. Ubenya further information at your field, then you stay connected everywhere you go. Finally, our first day on Emma Door Master and Pobiman Paint Depot. Abusia eho and now quality security doors with Turkish, German, and Italian technology. Or say enjoy 5 to 10% discount. Quality doors, so say exterior steel security doors, internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors, armored doors, bathroom doors, wooden metal doors, wooden panel doors, glass doors, flash doors. Nina available. Price also that phone call. Uber Painter from where your partner with a news paint. No Euro standard papa. I just say painter short to Nina. Ebi ewo hono na share dia ba no your friend paint now pay later. We are calling on all institutions, say churches, hospitals, schools, government institutions, offices, individuals, real estate developers now. Mo magic paint, mo fan painting mo facilities how do ni na. Na yan spread this kind of na mo twetwe an kakra wa bra yan fa interest bia ento so ema wo. Oba na be twen big mix machine na. Eno na etimi mix over 10,000 colors, delivering with precision. Just our color preference no at the dem Friends, here 0542 745 222 and our 050 021 2447. Oh, hey, check my old pubman. Would do pubman to booth when I want you. In fact, so you pubman to booth when he etria yen shop on the Accra Kumasi Highway. Happy birthday, Enkoma Mr. AJ Frimpong Intiamwa. Mr. AJ Frimpong Intiamwa. It's your birthday today. This one is coming in from your wife, Mrs. Letitia Frimpong Intiamwa, GM of Tish Smoothies and Salad Bar, North Kaneshi. What did you bring? Say in DB1 Sa anti o say dey wa mami ayeni new crew birthday ade a wo ye no ribia ba fine da bia mo send your birthday as mo fa hwen kan o munsu ade mami aye munsu ade mami aye mami nsan ye biem ma wo sam kita ne ma bia sa na me enti package pa no de abrem sa no ade no do so ade hampesa ade o di new crew birthday no di pa mo mami nsan ye biem watina onipa ade o say the be a send your dedications are Munga say, oh, money will from talk credit, and I'm munye. Oh, packages are Papa Bills and the Abegua. Nina from Woomani. Okay, so Mammy, happy birthday to Mr. AJ from Point. Their cross service. Mr. AJ from Point in Tiamwa. Oh. Wait, it is coming from your lovely wife. No wonder saw the Letitia. Letitia for me a good pa. Oh, that my wife was to the Letitia. Oh, Letitia for Omuyamu Yepa. There, Uni Mamalet Afro Shop a Dortmund. Obia didn't want that. On saw the Letitia. The Yamu Yepa. Letitia for the shop. Mr. AJ from Point Tiamwa. You are blessed with a Letitia wife. Oh, no problem. Your wife is wishing you a happy birthday. That's Mrs. Letitia from Point Tiamwa of Tish Smoothies and Salad Bar, North Kaneshi. I have my best friend. I was here by see near the Gator Sports at Twasuna and what you know, your beer phone lines near bizarre questions kakra about Basima or by Jache Debu Bruja de Akofie.
Ah, honey, it's office Asa unko na wonim Aqua Taps Food Safe ana. Salad ni nua ba wodi ne debia no. Aqua Taps Food Safe. Ana medoro ho. Asa na wedi o.
Omo san so Aqua Taps water purification tablets. Omo a omo de eburo mu nsuo, efom nsuo, suru nsuo, ene nsuo a ehwo nte e de ye wonda da adwuma a emfa ohaw bia embre. Osan kwada yi so mapomuden so ehia ye pa. Eno nti na mato Aqua Taps surface disinfectant. Yetime de paper surfaces bia ema ehwo te. No nti hotels, restaurants, hospitals, sachet water manufacturers. Ene fie mu Aqua Taps abama mo say ebejen it will phone for Health Top Up Services Limited. It was 050-169-4275 Kumasi and 020-907-7726 Accra and 024-459-3381 Koforidia. Ubenya Aqua Taps were pharmacies, drugstores and supermarkets. FDA Aji Ejedi Nkratui Atum.
If what you're looking for is quality, delicious rice to satisfy the family, Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Oh yeah, make all your dishes special.
Food Lovers Rice is long grain, has the perfect perfume, and is great for jollof and all your favorite rice dishes. Food Lovers Special Fragrant Rice. Sisemu Nafili. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Masks, sanitizer, social distancing. By now we know what we gotta do. That doesn't mean we want to. We're all tired, but we're too far in to tap out. So let's keep it up just a little longer, so that soon we don't have to. So we can fill stadiums again and smile at strangers and hug the ones we love. We're all worth pushing for. So keep it up for all of us. Just one more push, Africa. Just one more push for Ghana, everywhere you go. For more inspiration, check out onemorepushafrica.com. A message from MTN and Yellow Hope.
Quality security door and a new space. Why you affordably? For Pobiman Paint Depot and the door master. Why you 5 to 10% discount? One quality security doors. And then C4 contracted. When you road marking paint. For Pobiman Paint Depot. Why to quality biara Since why you paint and pay later. It's Jessica Kakra. That's a 3 months. It's Yankee. So if you want something wooden here. Pobiman Paint Depot. I will stop and see one time. 054-2745-222. So Accra Kumasi Highway. Pobiman Tobu to
Guys. Ago class. Mental. Edienu mienu eni miensa. Mienu eni enai. Mienu eni enum.
Sonata.
Efie dienu num aye ne mo atena ewo edidi mu ni. Osa British ya yi di mu no. Ye chi Hyundai Sonata mono chiao. Baku edienu num. Eni sika chedi bebre. Ewo MTN at 25 promo ni mu. Kosua fa wo MTN no mane frɛ wadofo no. Na kasa fa text fa browsing. Fa sika na fa send sika ewo momo no so emprepi. Enum na wo benya points a. Wo betimi di Hyundai Sonata edienu num a eye mono chiao ni baako. Eni sika chedi pi. Boso media ewo MTN at 25 promo ni mu. Star 156 eni ya. Na se wakwentu a wo di bedi achege kisi bi ase. Ewo MTN nkwaso. Everywhere you go.
Magic pepper and onion. It's a delicious blend of tomato, pepper and onion. That means no grinding, no blending. Super Nedrian no abe. And everyone loves it too. And Kwaniya Dankasa.
This jollof eat the go on.
Mommy, I want more food. Me too.
Make delicious meals in no time with the new Chino Magic pepper and onion. The magic that brings them home. This advert is FDA approved.
Mothers of Africa.
Mommy, my day in your day.
And what's the fagisha semina subai? Jina hopinti na kowenim. Mempaba. Kosisa wonsa beka weni da swadi nyina.
Mame, me jina painting akomenim. Na machapa to say gesha semina.
Be strong and
Bankratwe FD ajiatu.
Okay, Yama Akwaba, BMSI Eba OfieKwanso Media so Adom 106.3 FM. The Edu Suono Ayargator Sports in Tiensembre Crown, Ebeman Penifua Kasani, Alborum, Niakwanim. Now, yet me be I share so come pa.
Well. Please, Ayargator Sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected.
Yes.
Ayargator Sports. Papa. So listen to Ayargator Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too. Safo Kum Chacha.
My name is Prophet Kum Chacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kum Chacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. Sisi.
Other for me didn't this Sisi Chum. Now they be amity irrigated sports. There's no day minty irrigated because me tia manage na me stress.
Good. Over.
The open program one Dede Sham Fast Sports one. Tie irrigated sports. Adom 106.3 FM. The FM is John.
Good. Kwame Akwaba.
Akome Joso.
What to say?
Jaya tempo anu de kwa kuna yati anwem.
Oh yeah. Ade Akwaba.
Yadwo.
Emporo mu boko.
Nyame adom nso na me se tools wo ye den.
O che ne bobre.
Na still asudwanye nti.
Ye ntohwe.
So ehwe se afe no. Boso me nwotwe na ewu na.
Nwotwe.
Yesi afi mu na anu ye.
Yesi aka 9 pe na ye de afi na kogu.
Koro yesi san na ho te sa ahoma saa ma afi.
Aka 9 pe na ye de afi na kogu.
So apart from aduane amadini am ka se me nyina me nya ba kokra.
Ona kwa me se dan wo ye wi.
Ofani ya ka se ma me we ho.
We so re ho be no.
Nyame ye ho na akọ ya phone kra akọ yira yi. Na afi wonko ye hwe wa ga de na.
Na ka. Ada wo krama no ewura mu no te. Mu asa me anwie ho.
Dan ye wi de krama akọ.
E dan ye si wi krama akọ tra ye de. E dey bri.
Afi taza wa top.
Akwaba. Ya nua. Se bi bia boko re.
Oh nyankopon adom.
So unze tazo so ni tell the enemy no pe. On pe chana wa na so to.
If you want to China. Why you cry from crowd majina what is oh be ask me to train crama you come say how you come project expect
you man me and I'm James wo ewiemu nyenti no wo de onhwe na onye bia na
na che bibini a wotutu
a bibini na ba hwere ma heda tuwe na me cause West Africa if we wanna be kwa koto ade foforo na ba ku bia me ko hui no me hwa de ndi na yetimi drama emfa onyan cancer for that catch up so no e den we dey no na me pego adne chimi ti wa na me san friend am so bani
kwa ku anya ti na o sika o de ba
o da bi kwa na eniwa sa ba
me tu me ko bense fa ntimi nkoto bense
ne eniwa me de takashi ti wa na me san friend am so opani we na me no kan no twentwen so kakra na makohu almost na e ho for de na say na am say wo mu za fe was na we na say who needs to get na so opani scan dem ni bi bat ade na efe
enya me pa ebe
yi kakra nti kwa me nye sa nyame ti ase why nti say aya edu ba bi o ti go mu too much
new year there
resolution
the word is resolution I mean better me can am na to ava
there's o yes so me nwotwe de na nka watu ko ho na
kwa kuwa mo bi akwa ba wi ya bo ngura nsem ni mu na
onya ma ka so me yo akwa ba
me akwa ba
wa mami
sa do bi akwa ba ya mo nsem ni kwa ku
na mo nya bi duma ntini de
asem bia ni ho ne bato yi asante nwom no e fa tu ni fa so ma emo no bunku ma
timo kwa ku ya ni
oh
ya pre ama parliament abeda o bi ko mo
kotoko birthday ene kotoko nya 86 years it me pa chawa fa nwom no tu ni fa so emo no bunku
dem bedu 100 wo bi se wo ba
on
ana be see the container mo
ba anza na leg busom twebe asepo na po ese wiase ye bedi 100 ni abobra okroma ka kire wo Nene me ba man historical facts about Kumasi Asante. The reason why we are the greatest club in Ghana and one of the greatest in Africa. Me man sa stuff ni nyina.
League na abeda hono mo nkobo.
League be.
Anya kasa 20.
League is enyan shase.
Me league. a tournament na me down.
Tournament be. Yeah, qualify.
Yes, yet me money me.
And I'm saying yeah, qualify.
Ya mama mu dia ho.
Ah, e dey na wo ukọbọ na dia bre. Yes, I'm not king. Muse na first na mo yentu nhye mu passport am passport e pay de dey ni ku ba. Entu nhye mu fo no, o ka hu bi. So akwa bridge nti oni ni nua se o de ba befa na ko. Mo ka ho bi na bridge kwa
na me be dey tu ase.
Ana me ken. Ye say passport bra ya ni.
Kotoko ye
omo ye me echi om da.
Se nyina om da so tu se bi ati o.
Last year me be ye.
Ni ya chire obi.
Ba ye omo ye me echi.
Na wa podam.
Omo eya na omo no obi se no. First day
omo de kwasa. Omo de kwa. Da bi se unim de o ho sese. De o ho sese ni ye. Omo
oyi mi titi se nebra. No, wa titi na
no what say nebra.
Actually anza ni u se nebra nkra da no bes.
Ntino o team no.
Se de ne ye. Ada
na unim se obani what is trying na bogi se nyina okọ no msa kwasi da bi no de ne moma.
Omo. Maseno ni.
Na bi en. Egro nu ye za akra no na man.
I'm down say for tree.
Le gusi afọ nyina we sori anopo ba no be dina temi ano ko. Uti bole ni obeyi. Oh, ade no so de na kadam o. Ya cheze.
I think me nua pani no.
O na akura be da no ma so.
Me ya ba ko madina fe ko kwa boaje. Metimi di bibia bibia.
Ta.
Na bojo say na say no nyi si mitimi fita na dos. Apart from that there. Oye musu.
I have a photo brand here. Hwenye se wo hwefie. Na wa adwen o se. Enti wo ni photo a. From African no fan to na ye hwe sample.
Oh, the brother Victor Kotra.
Oh, there be so.
Ade o brother o samai.
Ade o brother so ni pem.
Gwagwaje. Obi say onu kwa ni wa obi timi ba be sama na say oh be kana. That's that hour. But me want me back show. Bye.
Obi ni wa o be kana say.
Kofi Adom brother bi na me ko shia no East Legon. Nti me hu na me say ah o se Kofi Adom too much. O so kwa ka chen se me chia no.
Yes, e ni ano.
Enti we kan sa no asere sa. Enti me ni twa picture kra say ah o se too much ni ko akọkire no. Me ba me ni che no say me nu aketo ano. Me say eye me wan sa.
Yeah.
Then I had you baby.
Now me I also tin na da.
I saw a picture. I had in phone in BS.
Uni apa he? O ka se me yimi nua photo this year.
Uni na kwa so me nyim na kwa so. Let's go bia mu ko penko.
Eh na se mu ya mu
obi e boni bra.
Yeah, why you
for me pa anu ni.
Akwa me se na we untimi fa meet me. We nye de bi da.
Abame.
Mo se de ba. Nyesa o da bi. We nyesa.
We no.
Kwame o se
David ti. Kwame.
Mo se na obi wonam korefu nam sifu no ho ayefe no. Sa suba ni bi. Wo kan sa nkofo no.
Oh David Kwame he. Unza Kwame anim kra treche no. Unza wani kra treche no.
Unza wani mi etadwa che no.
Oh David enya no. Oh wani kra treche no. Obi re hwade.
Obi ani me ese mu asa ko he.
Obi re hwade ye.
Kwame.
Oh,
that's it.
O ka so na wani fe da obo. Aba bi pe.
Mo hone na se kakra na pa se.
Kwame, wanim ye dadwa. Ono nanim ye dadwa.
Aso no mo mpokra nanim ye dadwa o.
Oh, there be. Kwame anim treche no.
Ana aboaje ne de he de o ni fan ya na banku.
Na so de na ye.
Enyo omni, ni fa me no.
The main character na we.
Ono ni aboaje no.
Emo za obere o hadri fa o.
Efra za Achibo.
Yeah, come on in market. Or the turn.
Sama yo hadri fa ba.
Oh, me ne se pa.
Enya pa.
Se ono wanyi se me. Na chiba mienu ne me.
Oh, okay. Wachiba na yo there.
Yeah, one mother one father.
Wachiba ono di na chini yo ba.
Ono so yo ba.
Where na ni da form.
Me dey say mani sinse wie. Ba ye dey mo so mani na sinse.
Oh, Sule. 12 September na oto akola ni di o. Oh, okay.
Oh.
Yeah, Sule.
Abinodo.
Yes, we are.
Unfortunately,
on the bedding on the 12th of September. Abeka was the post office one.
I don't think engineering.
Oh, hey.
I say also, but enye too much, sir. Enye too much, sir. Say also, but enye too much, sir.
Kwame Debbie. Kwame still
oh so but any said the opposite
but what I'm trying to say
is that you kasa uti bibia ye bibia we uti no nipa de ubeda di bibia ye obibia
atimi nyi anya say mani me
no show how many years and you money then fa ho say be ma wo
age no say okay kan for 15 no no 70s ananze
aja o ma fie
we dey am fa say o ma wo fie mienu a mfie say
no we dey be bro na ma chi ba kwa fie say na wo me nta wasa no
no mfie say we chi ba no
kwa ku so close na how
to enya hasa say masa ye di birthday ye ni abro me kwa me refuse say man ye cake ama
we birthday
man mo nyum ni nwan o mo ya me nka asante ase
ko man wa also na birthday bo man
any asante
birthday
okay
Africa Club of the Century
and ye guguguguru okay I see of no more dia ye de nyum na e
bo ya obo muso kakra kakra ba unim ate
eh ya so de me de ya bo we de enum na me be bo no so dia bo da ho e de
na na ro anu bo tumpan
na na tumpan
ayi no atumpan ye bo de ya de to do anu ya na ze udi ni pa bi
ko konfo nyum
ede ne hunu yi enum kakra be bo no
we ba ya konfo no chede kom no ma ko ya se
de be da ye me de ba me nyum
wo de fa no ko so fa no bo hu da ya obe
konfo no chero be start kom we no mu di ka bo ne shem
Asante kotokose Asante kotokose
yes obeni
na o ka se bi na enna kan pese we say
oh David
they say also mic no o be ma de ka on off air on ka on air ka o beti
na o che say ayi kobu yi
o de na
so why de na nam here
dibi na na so dem ne yin
why de na mfichire when jimi fan ko fie o
ma de ka se mo ye asori de ye ko mu no fichire
asori da be na mo ko
na mo je ka fa mo ko chire
mako ayi Anglican so dem
na ka se fichire
na mako to go mu fi mako hen bi
na
fa bi na mo de ago
bi se fi hen fa bi
when we need league no two places ya pa na mo de ago
ka fu mi enu ni key holders ri kuta mo
gamanche ho na mo fa ko
ras kuku wa ji ka na music award
me se mo fa ko gamanche ho mo fa ko chire gamanche
gamanche ade haso folk ya na dia
na so fa na mo de ko na dia aso da na mo de ko na so fo dia
nano ena mai ayi ni ayi o chia mi so opani no tie program yi po na ai se wunya ne kaseti
ya haso folk anya nkranfo dia simple
opani
simple
ene de o ka chire wa mo
ode min kami
I'm telling you
sana pa chire
ene so ya da so nkunti wan hwehwe da na wan behu da kotoko edi ne baby ode de o ka no ebi kura behwe no na na be show mu se ankwasa enya asem
Accra has a folk. There are very large number of GAT supporters, but the team is not a traditional GAT team. A young clear no few answer.
It is always on chess. Some watch the trophy. Money gaman jenia sembia.
I don't know.
Onza ahoro aba omenim.
Gaman je ade oye team ada.
Before na sha say your word man.
Ene ye dey e be wie program na.
Kwaku. Team no.
Because Kotokona ɛfa crew ya ɛna mate sɛ mo kora mo de pɛ sɛ mo de trophy mo pɛ sɛ mo de kɔkyea otumfoɔ
wodi besa
ɛyɛ mo hasefo nada na mo gama nkyɛ deɛ mo nkɔ no ɔpa
kɔtɔkɔ ɛyɛ otumfoɔ deɛ
kwame ade na wo yɛ
na bi no otumfoɔ has yɛ ne deɛ
dabi
ɛyɛ otumfoɔ deɛ enti ada nti na has ɛkɔ hɔ ade ayi akɔkyea no
ɛno wa sɛ ma agya kwawu hɔ ayi ɔkɔ united hɔ a ɔkyerɛ has asese
na ode ayi asante ma pɔture na yɛ fɛ kuma pra ma no ade to ode kyerɛ di na
ade kɔtɔkɔ ba
kɔtɔkɔ din de sɛ kɔtɔkɔ din kuma pem ho
dabi ɛyɛ two different teams
kɔtɔkɔ ba no
kɔtɔkɔ ba
Ọkọ United deɛ ne has ba wo ɛne ɛnye
ọpani nti
ona na ne has deɛ a yɛbɛsi ase
ba tɔ mo support Man U no obi ɔkɔ oni ɔnkɔ England da support Man U support deɛ mfa ho akumi deɛ has na mepɛ na me man kan da na me di has kyerɛ me man kan da support
yes o yira ya che
kwame obi anye wachi nyi o
na me tɔ sɛ difference ne ma ma fɔ
yira fa ya che
every mo secretariat yɛkɔ gamanche palace kwanwa
ade tɔ sɛ bɛsi ade kɔ
na mo de kɔ kyea mani ana ede
enti ade tɔ sɛ fa kɔ kyehina wo so the free must go ayi water region so
no chine odi ne nkwe wo nkra
tie mi ye
anya na mu home
ma se de o kan nyina
ase aye home enye nko ne bo home liberty to bo home
team did the same
liberty agili
Accra has to full
enti Accra yinya ka ha na mo
depi
tinya ha na mo chichi team
enu amuti wa sasu so no ya wa no de
team no anya nkranfo de team no anya nkranfo dia ye flow two shares kifesa cross be ye bi
ye de ye nim sanya nkranfo dia na hene so ho gamanche ho mo fa nkɔkyea na no
so no be kyerɛ sɛ onim cup ne ya gye ne kɔkyea ba bi ade ba kɔ afu na anya ne bet afu na anya ne sɛ no ɔmo wa sorry dem na papa no ho ba na ɔte hɔ na abrofo ba ɔno ma de kyerɛ bet
eze ho na ho ba ade opambo mpɛ kra eze ye kasa so se achacha no
bi ka no tia
achacha for mu ni
sorry you have it I'm better bet who's the first number for ya no sorry I'm better man na we yin man ayi no ayi atatani bet to mo po mo kofi no ba ko say na we say bet there and I see that bi am fa man no afu na anya no bet da you dey body and fa
yeah na when I guys have want me more belt
ebi type people we bet here more
oh matter
kwaku de ja I don't want to talk about it much today
so nya ko fa ba dia
aye bet
watchro ho
and ebe we nam kwam ebe we nam
obi na betimi abo
oh matter afu
how many afu no
achacha no emom sisi enyom sisi won achacha desi achacha nsu om sisi
achi aye
asembe na ke
papani say de hia am person me ka ho asem ne say Accra House of Folk Africa na ye
oh masa asante ko to ko asem en
bi yabo wa ya ma
enti afi ma men kasa na me kasa wie na utimi nya kudro sa kasa na se fere eni wani so obani
obi ay go lead ground ti benye mo
me mpese me kwa ni mu bebre
ya ni mra kra ma ho
so ti ase because ebre ni afa nemom se me hyase a ma me hyase se kumasi asante kotoko ne onya mfishia edio wotwe ensia 86 ono ne the first Ghanaian club to win a continental trophy
Liverpool
1970 and I ye and no kotoko any TP Englebert and a TP Mazembe and the boy before then ya ko finals that year but me can ye win se be ya ye show 2-1 e working Shasa what I say
yeah bay
no
yeah bay
1977 America
1970
yeah
okay
e working Shasa nye Ghana hey
okay say
Abukari Garba and afi Malik Jaber ne share Sagos
Africa na okay
and your second time you winning Africa the 19th edition 1983 still na Ghana
1983
yeah enyi until the year 2000 and House of Folk ebegi bi
okay
enti hwe intervals no kumasi asante kotoka bobra ma me frɛ no so na me nkɔ foforo so kotoko and the first Ghanaian team represented Ghana African Cup Winners' Cup 1976 and also Shannon Sumame na caps I had to give me case mbobo a ebrebeti aye
and so ko e mo anye wa mu
oh yeah
okay
Cup Winners' Cup baby yeah
nko participate
Asante Kotoko and the first Ghanaian team and a club who produce African Footballer of the Year in 1971 Opening African best na ye kan. Kotoko ne the first Ghanaian team. Nipa obo Kotoko edge African best Ibrahim Sunday. So ni mo ameka kire wo.
Sunday dey so about brother.
Ibrahim Sunday Kotoko ene de say nipa no ene say ni munyam ne ba Ghana ha. Nti ye ka Kotoko a enya nkola team. Okay. Opening Mesan akomanim na enibie Ghana ha enibie Kotoko ene de ba in 1951.
Time down am for.
Unko no fie ya yeso wo yiri ntu.
Kwame ya wotra na bedu.
So that we did never.
Was wife. Ano fie aso wo yiri was wife.
Jai.
Obani 1951 osu ye wo wani bonku me wani ma ye hazin. 1951 Kotoko did the first Ghanaian football club odi boot empaboa. Ebo 1951 say yemfa yenan shempa bo mo
anasata na we mo
since 1911 patroti abakosa na meka nipa 1951
why nine tables
from sam 1951 na yen yede mpaboa ebo oh meba
go to me can something we have no one boy yes I tell you say boot
come on in report to boot no Owura Digraft Dixon ono no ofi Britain na buy na Kotoko she boot no ye ne Blasters no ye ko training to bi ene ye buy obani unim say in 1954 aso folk ehwe say ye 51 e she boot no emfie ba miensa chi ene aso folk ye say de go ndom 96 for match eto amusu be she butu ni bi na haso fo eto butu no omo ba Kumasi ni Kotoko ba bo obani first half ni asho mo 3-0 just because empabo na show mo no
abobare wo
wan empo hu na nde les no bo no po abonsa ko wura pa wana ase okwa no no atiaso na eyi no de se no so se ere no ni nantabro no enti ye hye wom a chese Kumasi ne ekiro mo se de si shempa bo ani bi eti team we wodidi na ase ache ne de waso ne men
me ti baba 1911 me di deal na ase
obeni se me order
baba 1911 one more da
kind bro for ma huntie o say so folk emulated and proud to a friendly game against Asante Kotoko in 1954 the Phobians followed suit and also wore football boots. However, Kotoko took a 3-goal lead in the game because the House of Folk players felt uncomfortable playing in boots for the very first time. Or say how in the second half the Phobians took off their football boots and played with their barefoot. The scoreline remained the same 3-0.
Oh wow.
1950. Oh. And then they make us second half. And you go na me wo. Kwaku enye gogo na mo.
Omo here na no say. Ya be lo boot no.
Aso fofo mo tin shepa ba. Omo na isi form. Say nkom be cheka no. Omo ntimi ant. E ba sa na agon nko a. Don't ma go.
Kwaku kuni se first na ya
Masa.
Mama kola.
Ya koye nim o ya koye nim. Do di ban di.
Kwame de chiro ka Kotoko. Kwame o de chiro.
Ana me ma Kotoko asem na ode entotro be yo.
Teze Kotoko no kware be.
Unim totro.
Minim ntotro.
Ntotro obabi ba miensa. Betima chiro. Unse wanu so nsu a entotro timi bro wanu. Yes, unhune kra so him na ye entotro timi ye wo. Ana we no so no. Oro na.
Asa wan gogoro.
Ana wan enso itimi ja ntotro ya. Oto de ende nya ntotro.
Opepa ni ya enye.
Opepa ni ya. Ano kwa na why quiet. Asa tea bread.
Nana kwanim na o distract kwanim.
So ashada.
Kwanim.
Openi unim say in 1969 Kotoko the first Ghanaian club etu kwan kwa abrochi se oko training tour
pass glory the more
yes na okay
say na Kotoko
pass glory na kwasi tune bi FM na wo ti a wo ya adwuma ni bi no kwasi mu FM no bi ne ha aya cast pass pass glory
we se ba okay nyina kwaku boot kura ka wa
tete akwasi
Kwame wo dia chiro
Kwame me se anya pass glory na kwasi twum wo di bi FM ye na wo te Adom FM se bia enya ne bia na wo SS
fenya tournament asem ne ka
na fe dia mami nkasem no ne jade o cheche no umpa ba ko se umpa disua wo se ko school na umpa attention
kan nyira o ye
1969 asama make kotoko
team na se nyo microphone dia no
ade has of focus
ma se tugu ba no
anya gama obi omunnim
abani
people need to be educated
unim say Yako training to 1969. That was the first time a Ghanaian club say, "Wa funny team." And we go abroad say, "Omko training to Aba league." Na Yako ya na sabe ni mu na Santos World Pellet team. Santos what is omo ba ania has to go be match na. In fact, omo ba no mu nim say kotoko no ne be bo ba omo be si achi. Na ye wo England any Stoke City no ne ada teams no so ball abroad. It don't be si kotoko achi. Because that time na kotoko eco training to.
Na say ne say na tie dia won so anye won homework yi.
Yes, and then what you know, omo no actually say we ukọ Brazil Santos no ne Flamengo for no. Yes. Omo so wo rivalry party. Omo te say ya no ba ye omo be si achi sa eco no. Enom say ne omo no ye beduru ye na anom so omo so beba. To omo no ba ye Flamengo for no ba ma kotoko crash omo she omo 4-0. As at that time I'm say a friend say Raymond say Kofi Kwan or boss abuse me na obani ya bobra okroma o e bobra na eni na atete ama binu anya bi pempam
atete apansa
oh eni na meka cho say boy e bo no okroma kotoko di mbo chen obi ana ya na eni ma bi na di chimhia but ade wo me say facts are sacred only say form a temper ba class there a permanent and kotoko class enu na ye team a
homework
obani na ye kan o ye kan say
unim
me ba o metwa so
enkobiem
ye ka say kotoko club of the century aya na nipa ni bi won mo sabe entoto fefe no e no mo ntiase e omu ke kotoko aye but enu matikita na
when ko abakwase mu when betiase
ni ma kotoko aye nti e say the greatest club of the past 100 years of Africa hana omo ntiase no obi won mo 2000 year has enya league to aso be 4 be 397 ho ba no e be Champions League no hu say team bi wa friend but that time so 90s for na fina ni awo omo nti de omo hu ye no we say afen no wa wi sesa na ni so kaka
etini nyina mu no league e for Ghana no ho fa league
watch do ye watch ye
to kwa je me che open
watch pa
ma minwie
na fa bi she ma bi she
on fa ye twa
da fa bi she
da bi so opening nyaso be no because they say na
we do your rope Kwame metawachi
powerhouse emsa fe no asa obra no
Kwame metawachi isu powerhouse Kwame you are wet powerhouse no Ghana football and African football.
Oh, the whole Africa.
Okay, powerhouse metawachi, right? Metawachi.
Africa any akobo.
Chira say na mo kwa Africa no.
You are wet.
Kwame, chira mo sound na kwa Africa no.
Ya bede ni ase. Ene enka tete se mo. Watcho bi agu yaso awia kete ya.
Say the oba de ase de uma nya wo na.
Aso anu kra.
Obi ankore ne papa na ba ko papa wa brochi na afia so ma bre ne.
Ene so wa she.
Ko se wa odi eni kona si ona usubi na ba mi pesi.
2021 na unu ya so ade ko 1970 na se na mi sia kotoko emo ma woda papa onyankopon ema team no enyi nche me de kotoko me pani ye man kan che wana me boa
enye no kre
te me pani ye ne
enye no
kotoko edi ya
enye no kre obuwa mpe ye obuwa
eye o kasa wanka bi maninka na sem o kasa wanka bi
ye ba Africa wo from ha ye wo so tele bia otimi bu ani gu no so
wo na wo platform no ye ne etie
kwame otimi bu ani gu no kra so ye ba Africa ko ye kana to atwom ha akana to atwom se ye nyi
kwa Africa Africa ko wini asa Ghana so da kada ho
una on platform no wo de ne etie kwame ko anim
I wish them well
na o dia
get me wish them well
I wish you yeah I wish
show them say braces
masa wo bi say bi na dia sa
no so kwade ye bo kakra na say ye hwan braces awosi ya ko je braces
masa birthday de untin kan wish I also to happy birthday kra man
I wish kotoko happy birthday
I wish
na yetia me wish am say kwa da bia me ka kire wa say anya say covid ne yakobo ball ne ye nipa nko park
ya
and house of folk place can my place no e be 5,000 because nke be gauge proceedings anya ska be brave kan ne kotoko bo a other teams to mind
Kebabo Makoma can say, Kebabo Makoma.
Sana, yes, so Anya, Omutimias numbers, oh, baby. Kwaku, and no Anton Koda. House of Folk, ya ko Akobo Africa. Tima Abobra, and Players on Amicon 2021, 1970. Now, ya de friendly matches will be ever successful, and Sana, and ya players on one day. Now, the Edicano, ya name Interlies and a bebo. Kwakuna Interlies, no money and a top yana.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's on way.
It's on more, Division 1.
Division 1, okay.
You know, Bebo. You saw Timakuya coming out of California. And yes, Adabraka
Where does it say? Can you spell the word? That's I know the team. It's a well-known team. But where does no? Is it the normal word as well?
Me sure say
no. Spell it.
What does the name
D-S.
Yeah. Adabraka world.
I'm not here for penny down at you. Adabraka.
Match will give it to me but a brony bay.
When
place in the way friendly match. Now there's an account to me. I want I walk with
but they will not do that.
Yeah.
They won't do that.
Kotoko. You don't know Kotoko. You don't know Kumasi.
Hey, over there.
Sliding tackle. Sliding tackle.
Yeah.
When your boss hand will do us.
But I someone else as a friendly match.
And they want to get the way prepare place will come here. On the first year, you are on one day, you have 2 matches. You're going to like Sweden and you have at the back of the Swaka. Coach is oh yes, I do. Now, what they are shape players, no, a honka near their pet. Simbia says, say, about other matches, we crumple. I don't know.
Not then, the league was a dube. I mean, it was very competitive. Argentina, they just ended league, you know. Like those who did well, like, let's say the top 4 for now. And count your
team breaking. Now, coach, sign a prepare or regroup. You don't go straight into
and play tough matches.
Opponent. A bit of say weaker opponent. Now,
don't call them weaker.
Unims are technicality. My man can't answer me. Coach. Open team one. Now what they need to be brave because so now what they know I was be brave. A weekend who players no.
Okay.
What I say until so when say players na full fitness no. And some of high profile and also a friend high profile friend matches. And some of them about 20 a shake up keke no dey Emma players no.
Okay.
So be very gaining strength in team. Oko fat tougher opponent omo team. Yeah.
And momo where the season
and also I want assemblement.
Where there
and then best sorry something na adwuma bi o.
Obeni
Obiza ya abako.
Where there ketua bi.
Asese kuma abako. Oh na say oyesa enye.
Oyesa enye say.
You don't na tie jampanifo on be beka.
Ah okay.
Ombro, omo value omo keta. Omo affiliate clubs are. Omo use omo kets no.
Me bacho.
Oba there. Kwame say who tie dia. Kwame. Me kan
dia answer. Mr. Boafo Achimota. And say na more fire. You have 5 gallons in advance. Eti ebse menya kotoko abako unse ushe team ho asem na oka. Kotoko fortune 7 years.
Mr. Boafo yes answer awanya.
Eti Mr. Boafo yes oso utakwa me echi.
Dabi enye ne kwame Dabi tie.
Odinawu. Odidametusre.
Aha tie.
Enye kwame na. Said you say 5 gallons yi.
Kwakutie o.
Meka biem kwa ma de 5 account na.
Enye se medumo mic. The only say enye me ban ba obi be to aso enye kwame na me tai na chi no say Mr. Boaf emri bia besi ko bi o ye say ye you know besi nei I see o
onye bia una wan ko
wa bi me bia
kwame cry ye yamfe kwame cry afi oduro cry
enti ene
onko friend bi
Mr. Boaf
ene on che me na mi ya me fa way because ɛda fam ti sɛ meka sɛ
ɛbɛyɛ pɛ filling station mi wɔ OfieKwanso because yɛn wɔ kwan so yɛntumi nsa ama wo mɛfa
filling station yɛntwa U10 kwa
dabi
mekɔtwa U10 mekɔtwa U10 mekɔtwa odabi wei deɛ ɛnɛ yi ɛda fam tim kura di wo ne nkana memfa wo na
ɛda fam tim deɛ woba wo nwan bɛwie na ahyɛ to
odabi metimi de akɔ
anka wo ba na yɛ best wofi hɔ ba na yɛ best
na sɛ sɛ mo yɛ sa mo anya de yɛnyɛ ade
sɛ bra wankɔ
dabi sɛ metimi nkɔ saa wa bra nya green light no
sɛ wayɛ sakra ma Mr. Tamakulu sɛ wate ada
me wofrɛ me saa me ayɛ mea mentimi nkɔ sɛ ɔgye sɛ woka sɛ gya bra woka sɛ memra deɛ a na womfrɛ me ana meama ba sɛ mɛdi fuo saa deɛ
ntini kwa sɛ wotwɛn sɛ nipa
megya gye sɛ wafrɛ me anɛ sa
ɔyɛ aberanteɛ ɔpani nya ne sɔre yansa
obiri yɛmfa wo deɛ no nsɔre so yɛmfa nsɔre so
sɛ deɛ nti akɔ akɔba no saa ɔmbro ɔmo wɔ affiliate clubs a affiliate clubs wade waso no ade no kaka
affiliate ba
ɔmbro na mete
affiliate de ba tempa
Ghana ɔma ɔmveli ɔmo case no hazakes ka ho but mehwehwɛ mu a house of folk nim nti kwame yes
no ebia no yɛ special ceremony because na say clubs almost from Ghana has na big
on check ma me de ntia ɔmveli na has kwame ti bɔchiri ma yɛ ne ahwɛ
okay and then on that assignment note no that challenge one on
Domi Kwabinya NDP chairman ne ma me afrim Chairman Ike, also a fan of
chairman power no.
So young guy. Oh, you brutal. Ne ma me from said next week. Next week no be na yi ne ma me yi. Na ayi.
Check pound in the amount.
Aga MC na. Ah we yi nyina.
Yeah.
I go there. I read the whole grammar. So did that from way.
Dominic and Sway, you know, weekend view. Maslock.
Oh, okay.
Dominic buy and also a weekend we all could
when any weekend next week. Chairman, I
and your first dama proud sponsors no Kel Charcoal toothpaste. Used to be for choosing a back clear sense from a year the idea na bibia be come pa na
baretuna oto ngrabre beni boze won intwa take it man na opese obehye na dwumadia
eti patcho say open good fresh bread whiter teeth na friends so pese ogam no ahode mapa ebam na prevent cavity there and patcho Kel Charcoal toothpaste and no na ebetimi ediwa kagiremu we another quality product if Samara Company Limited but more the amount san count the Kel Charcoal toothpaste or say happy smile NLA Dewa 539 direct so na e kan for edi amawo amafo dia na edi o twen dia nso betimi awini bi with your 5 magic numbers from 1 to 39 nso betimi a play with as little as 2 cities sikantiti dia betimi ababa or dia betimi bet on direct one no we need 20 times your stake na fe wa bet on a direct 2 and also we need 45 times your stake now or bet direct 3 no so now obenya 400 times your bet amount. The more you play the more you win. Tibo more than lotto kiosks be akwa so pe NLA Dewa 539 direct now also stake bi na what me asasa o shebrem or see win you know it choke. Jumia Eguso celebrating the 9th anniversary and saying, you know, amazing deals for up to 50% off and a down at the air train war from fashion to phones to accessories to electronics to groceries. Nina, yeah, they mount. And they been on fan or ton 199 cities now aside Jibako they attach that account and you get up to 35% off plus free shipping while brow to need your product at their fee a Jumia and also watch out for our daily flash sales from 12 midday kusi 3 p.m. Or favorite Maybelline no so no or super discount kasapa e was one in a bit me ayo or there Jumia day for you ankasa Jumia your everyday delivered and what your first day your royal drinks yes royal drinks you go like them royal apple royal cola royal orange as well as royal cocktail. We're on the perfect flavors now, so go on and feel the magic in your life as you enjoy royal drinks in so many flavors. 250 pesos, no chilled one pa from a shop near you. Open the door for Casa Preco Company Limited on 0262 351 0251 and also obetimi afre 0272 133 373. Go TV as we say and to him say you obetimi stay connected. Will Go TV so now I enjoy a captivating moment on La Liga, Serie A, Premier League, any other leagues na akana football papa no de on Go TV with me are connected from as low as 48 Ghana cedis. Now I enjoy football papa. Go TV, love it. In boost herbal mixture, police in the pa a jana so bruta. A do a nyaba system no more. A be shep pempema woni peduana kutia area na shaneding. Shen kutu poma no ye den. Eti area bia infection bia herbal system no bia no. A fight against it. Ewa bra embo nto no ayare akọ hospital akọje adru ati ase tini e kan fodi ama se ntwen yare ansa wanom da bia no bi nefa bon ban e ma immune system ne we den unya introduce into your system so a de ye ne se ono akọ nipadua na akọ aba bia problem bia wo nipadua bia no start fight against it no atuni na afim ti wan kasa kra onim se wo problem bi but do na be identify ni na akla ni na de fuel system no de ama ye friend no in boost herbal mixture aka police ni no adru no Kingswalk Herbal, Echoes Pharmacy, Widama Pharmacy, Travel Judah Pharmacy, alternative and dependable herbal shops across the country. Health Alert Shop, it was in Jones, also called Benjamin, and I feel so Ubo Room, away, Little George Health Shop, Tema Community 5, and yes, our phrase 0243 115 948, and our phrase 0246 208 496. Now, do be a winner, on sa a bit miaka. Abusha, and Chibia, your ballroom, na ye de, and net promo abro, na utia ya, a chedia buruja pa, and now obey me a day, a free ako ifi and a day. In meantime, happy birthday and come on, Mr. John Kofi Abeka, Nana Sika Akon, we are Juma away GTP. May the good Lord bless you and favor you on your birthday. Now, so we so say happy birthday and come on, Nyaminti. Kweku poku osafo enim oko school ewoye asda learning center ewoye adenta. May the good Lord grant you wisdom, knowledge, and as he granted King Solomon, may you live to be 106 plus 3 from the father Kantanka osafo enim of Ahriase Ekrapim and also the day out the by I don't know, and I will say so or say happy birthday and come Ariane of Our Lady of Mercy Senior High School, Miss Photogenic 2020 from Prince Humado Nenche and or the Emao and our face where Mr. Anani almost say Omuna I will show the best in life as you celebrate your birthday today. Finally, Nafi Yenshana Yenfa promotional and Twatwa. So I say, Jerry, please wish my lovely friend Jennifer Arthur of Aguna Swedro Pipe Tank a happy birthday. More grace, more strength, more money, long life, and prosperity from Stephen Fosu Esiama, aka Sam 23 Sakumono Tema. Ena Odefi Ebai. Abuja, Tew, Nafi Yemye Aumanuntum, na Obasima Achede. Yan fama o se sa chede bebre dia correct mame mo bi so nche na wahu se no a chede na o ginudu enye fedi agro eti o fra na watimi e de vim ahyem na wafre bo homoden hwe de obe bo modern ene pa no obenya chest freezer goyi ya de che okwa se sia o de odi ho ono so betimi anya microwave kama pa afi mienu a almost edu a aka no food processor ye de chew se sia ya make say ya o eti ya wa ne ben phone na mi bia ho na tum sisia
Semi sorry no pa. Kale Chaco toothpaste na me de twitwi me se. And me confidence. The money nyina.
Se wushia ama na me sifit go so na me srea. Ya wa me de Kale Chaco toothpaste. Ene twitwi me se. Oba de ni pa e wo bidi mu no. Ene dia ye Kale Chaco toothpaste. E boy se ho bai. E free mowa e boy se mu tokro. E se ahye ene enumunka. Sure say amani Kale Chaco toothpaste so ni. Yeti center for.
Me dia magic Kale Chaco toothpaste at tubu. Me use na no pa na dwa me koda no. E ma me see fita. confidence level kwaso etibinama na me sit 32 ni na guso
enkane no ania maame nim di bidie twetwe yese no asaya bebie mu bidie wo kel charcoal toothpaste mu no MSC fita emana hoden ne sayi nkabia na wonum yi hwam enunti mo amonum coffee wine any tobacco e kamo seso no abama mo kel charcoal toothpaste sankofa yenchi
Kel happy smile
FDA aje ejodi nkrato ya tomo
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow. Any offense will be count.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric somewhere who by no. And Nasawunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the one, the Imbusaba Mesa, do the one dance yes, and Yarua who ran Nipa and Yina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarua Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a home car. No, you want suing, you know, a boy who buy every home. And now I'm pa, one dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and no Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep pinty. Ya womuntim pose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kaisi, and you may move Bia Yato in row, at to form friend 0246 20 8496. FDA, Ashisha said, Jedi and Kratui, Magia to Musay.
Voice number. Share. Why you know that say Ubet me invite players be to say Ronaldo, Messi, and Mbappe about them. Why you know that say Ubet me nyatinka e want you big games no e want them. Onia, why you know say Ube enjoy home ground advantage e Serie A, La Liga, Premier League, UEFA Europa, any leagues e kuku them you know bro fum e want them. Ana Jajeno for 89 Ghana cedis called you Go TV decoder. Any year now upgrade called Go TV Max. So no fear yourself. Football if you kasa. So person to new decoder. Test Go TV call short code 1731. Go TV. Love it.
Drama from day one. Lotto Ghana Padia and one they were 539 direct. The best lotto game in Ghana. You will hear say Ubenya 5 solid magic numbers. A free bako equals 39.
Wow! I'll fight winning no each.
So Abraham Edino, what the 2 Ghana cedis pay and a 2 you. And to also call *446# across all networks. Ultra direct one. Obedi 20 times Sika Udi try. Ultra direct 2. Obedi 45 times Sika Udi try. And a direct trend so Ebema the 400 times. Wait me a try. They were 539 direct. I will talk your soup. Yeah, but Ghana for Nana. We know each joke. Come and so energy. We know the talk ampa. They were 539 direct. We know each joke.
Gino Magic Pepper on a tomato mix. Gino Magic Pepper.
New Gino Magic Pepper and Onion is a delicious blend of tomato, pepper and onion. That means no grinding, no blending. Super Nedrian no abbing. And everyone loves it too.
And Kwaniya Dankasa.
This jollof eat the go on.
Mommy, I want more food. Me too.
Make delicious meals in no time with the new Gino Magic Pepper and Onion. The magic that brings them home. This advert is FDA approved.
Nyawawa obutan team wodi sia ne awode ye adwuma sia de ahwabu sia mankunim de ba nanso oba ye nipadua tumi sesa wonam ye wo ye ninna enka tumi ba ye ho ne ya tenka esesa etobere bia e kira dwele kakra eye den si ebehu se we ye ne kwaso ene bra ye behwehwe mmoa Maristos clinic fo wonim de wo ema pomuden ho na wo ka ye ho abrebia e free sabuo so kosi se ye betwa bra anamom biara ye betu Maristos clinic for kaye yen hyehyeye na bra Maristos clinic ne for 0800208585 ebio 0800208585
Celebrate something big with Showmax this football season. Pay for 1 month of Showmax Pro or Showmax Pro Mobile and get a second month on us to watch mind-blowing football action from the world's best leagues. That's every breathtaking tackle, save, goal, and more from the EPL, La Liga, Serie A, and DStv Premiership. Live from Supersport and 50% off. Sign up at showmax.com and get more for less.
New Magic Pepper and Onion is a delicious blend of tomato, pepper, and onion. That means no grinding, no blending. Super Nedrian no abbing, and everyone loves it too. And Kwaniya Dankasa.
This jollof, eat the go on.
Mommy, I want more food. Me too.
Make delicious meals in no time with the new Gino Magic Pepper and Onion. The magic that brings them home. This advert is FDA approved.
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
That's right. We're back. Let's hit it one time. 0302216561. 0302216562. Yeah, y'all. Watch out, Baba, you. We are Obasima Achede. So call me now. Yeah, just say Utibetimia ya. Hey, na Jonah Obeji chest freezer de akosesia. Obeji microwave oven de akosesia. Obeji food processor sesia. Hey. Ola ka shani ama o. Eh, pretty simple. There be a chance you can't Basima seal, you can't some chill. Say no special seal, they are born and you don't want. You will be ready to be on which as I said, 18 essential vitamins and minerals. Now, Association of Ghana Industries and Ghana Standards Authority now can't my endorse it. Our food product P now, our market. Gary Mix and the cap there, Gary Mix, sachet. Face where do you know Tom Brown, Samson Tom Vita original, Tom Vita X, Samson and Lola biscuit, love it cereal. Access our products when you know. Obasima soon it won't be. She has said a containing vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, vitamin B1, B2, B3, vitamin B6, vitamin 12. Samson and copper, calcium, folic acid, iron. In fact, iodine and baby. First call on the line. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Rajay.
Pacho, your first saying?
Juliana Sampa.
Juliana Sampa.
Pacho.
Okay. Julie Pacho, our first question. How many minerals and vitamins and Obasima foods emu?
Pacho, 4.
Okay. On next question, Pacho, how many products and Obasima seal a woman?
Pacho, 3.
What's that?
3.
Okay. And on next question. What are the colors of Obasima logo? Obasima logo, no colors near there.
Pacho, red and white.
Okay. On next question, what is the slogan for Obasima? Obasima slogan here. You any your fancy kakra hona why? Iti koswaneti yen koye next caller. Na yen hwe ono so ne modern bo. Hello.
Hello, good.
Yes, good evening, Patrick Frosay.
Patrick
What's it say? Celestina, one kasa den a unyan correct crowd ran na ma hu why ti ma kasa no mra den why Celestina.
You man.
Good. Okay, Celestina, our first question. Now, how many minerals and vitamins and a Obasima food anymore?
6 minerals.
What's say?
6.
Yo, Celestina, our next question. Now, how many products and a Obasima see no ewo?
What's say?
Eno dia unimo. Okay, and then next one. Obasima logo no colors bensa and omu.
Gold and green.
Okay. On next question, what is the slogan for Obasima? Aya debia me come so choose Obasima, stay something, stay something. Then you cry my answer man. Huh? Hey, dear me kind still. Anyways, yeah, your phone see now your next caller, right? That is you. Next call already on the line. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, my brother.
Patrick Ross.
Your friend Andrew Harding.
Okay, Andrew Harding. Yeah.
No traduna means of uncontrollable saga.
Yeah, open here. Yeah, call questions also. Me Patrick, how many minerals and vitamins and what Obasima foods no emu?
I know they are 12. 12.
Okay. Next question. Now, how many products? And Obasima see food products and what Obasima see no on the market?
6.
Let me. What's it?
6.
Final answer 6. Wow.
Annie.
Okay. You go next question. Mommy, the colors of Obasima logo no?
Red and white.
Oh, confidence level with it. Okay. You go on next question. What is the slogan for Obasima?
Choose Obasima and stay healthy.
And then
and stay healthy.
And Akabako. We are healthy, we are damn.
And strong.
Choose
Obasima and stay healthy and strong.
I'll give that one to you. Choose Obasima, stay healthy, stay strong. And I'll pay Crawford. Oh, they just stay healthy, stay strong.
Stay strong.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that was near phones here. Right. Next caller. Hello. Good evening.
Hello. Good evening.
What's your first name?
It is Felix.
Felix.
Yeah.
Okay, well, my good friend be deep. Anyways, Felix, you share how you can also do. As far as this is concerned, me pacho Obasima. Yeah, can want say me. Sa see you know, say our food products be one. Just a food product no. How many minerals and vitamins?
Pacho 8.
What's that?
8.
8 or 18?
8.
8. Yeah, okay. Young next question. Now, how many food products in the one market are a what Obasima see in the one?
Actually 6.
What's that?
6.
Okay. Mommy, the colors now what Obasima logo no.
Actually blue and white.
What's that?
Blue and white.
Okay. Obasima slogan they mean is a slogan where my papa is here. Now, tie question we now say a true or false question. Why? Ghana Standards Authority and Association of Ghana Industries I endorse your Obasima seal. A true or false?
Actually true.
Okay. Yam final question. Now share there. Why? Now maybe bought food products be doing. Be bought mako 4. Cheme emu bako ewo Obasima seal no ana logo no ewo ho. Velveeta, Tomtina, Salmina, Tom Vita. Sa 4 products we emu de wen na ewo Obasima seal logo no ho.
That's Tom Vita.
Okay. Kosweti obetienka. Why?
Okay.
All right. So let's pick our next caller. Now you know so to us na yen share they are not so bit me Charlie Adepa fufu pa oba beji chest freezer goi na mudi dia closer. Hello
brother.
Yes, good evening boss. You are from saying?
Yeah, I'm from
Enoch.
Yes.
Okay. Boss, to your question. How many minerals and vitamins and a war of basima fruit emu?
Okay. 6.
Okay. Now, me pacho, how many food products and a war market currently are a war of basima seal a one?
4.
Okay. Obasima logo no colors no no color ben.
But red and white.
I know there will be what so big can our be an answer we are sure says I know.
Oh, we are sure.
We are sure wow. Okay, Tio. Obasima slogan no saying.
But choose Obasima. Stay healthy, stay strong.
You Yate. Final question.
Okay.
Final question. Velveeta, Tomtina. Tie product na mbobo so no.
Okay.
A food product di na mbobo no. Velveeta.
Okay.
Tomtina. Samina and Tomvita. Emu de wen na ewo obasima seal no ewo ho.
Yomvita.
O say
Yomvita.
Tie de me kan me say.
Okay.
Velveeta, Tomtina, Salmina, and Tomvita. And emu de wen.
But first one here, first one put that there.
First one, uni mu akasa oni mbat. First one here, Velveeta.
Hello.
Me say first one here, Velveeta.
Okay.
It's here there way.
Yeah, Yomvita.
Open here, that's it. You for last call and you for Zina. I don't know. African, you for last caller. Hello.
Hello, Bradley.
Good evening, Patrick. For saying.
Patrick, friend is Samuel Amonyo. Amonyo. Patrick,
AMANY. And what's Anna Matro? I got it right. Okay, so Sammy.
Yes.
First question. Now, how many minerals and vitamins now or basima foods no emu?
Pacha 18.
Okay. Now, how many food products currently one market I want basima see no ewo?
Pacha 4.
Me pacha obasima logo ne color ben.
Pacha green and white.
Okay. Now, Ghana Standards Authority, any association of Ghana industries, I endorse your Basima seal. No, true or false?
True.
Okay. Mame slogan for Obasima seal. No.
Choose Obasima. Stay healthy. Stay strong.
You hear that say? Enti Koswati obeti enka why?
Pacha Bradley.
Yes, I na kwa kusi. What? In fact, ade bi wa ye easy sana man for me yes ana na ha dwun o. Chale. Okay, so the omu say Obasima for no said the any omo kan no mimi timu nya den sa timi so me ye say okay yenhwe na say the be at least or they out of this 6 callers now no yentimi and rewarded 4. Oh, and you know at the end of the day unso ye nana me mark wa the last call away ono no ya ade pa otiminya 1 2 3 4 out of 5 questions or answer. So Samuel amanya ona oyen first a winner, and then the second one is Felix ono sunya 2 out of the questions now or answer you know. And then the third one no me winner 1 win so inya 1 enti se say enya 2 nti aka 2 e de be count. So the 2 no e be we anyway on. Okay, so Celestina inya 1 and then Andrew Harden sunya 1. This will be third and this will be fourth. No. Enti me pacho mun koswa antie yen ye be frem why na ye de mo achede amamo achede ni mu odu. Oh, first one they odi first no ene ono o take chest freezer go yi na fe Alaji see when your chest freezer free do on so benya microwave afi the audio on so benya food processor no back so nya food processor account very simple. I mean questions ni nya ibia sa na mo de ye sa abusu ba esi na e ba dimpum de nkomo akra na e de aso edi media so
me be travel kwaya ko baby fufuro bia e ho ye de na e ho joa ahomka papa bi wom why crado yanko afi kosa fenifa fa benku chawani hwe afafa chakwan no pija wonsa yes na free yogurt rurano bisano say oma o fun yogurt punchy peach fufuro no bi na fetua wano na tumu de nyina sanje bio menjai kosa ma fun yogurt punchy peach fufuro no a ejojo wakoma no emfa won kosa fun yogurt so cool so good FDA aje edwedi nkra to yatu.
Celebrate something big with Showmax this football season. Pay for 1 month of Showmax Pro or Showmax Pro Mobile and get a second month on us to watch mind-blowing football action from the world's best leagues. That's every breathtaking tackle, save, goal and more from the EPL, La Liga, Serie A and DStv Premiership. Live from Supersport at 50% off. Sign up at showmax.com and get more for less.
Wow. Hope you have heard rent to own now in Ghana. The Flan City Extension Project Rent to Own Land and House Ownership Scheme by the Ningo Pram District Assembly and its partners, supported by the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development and the UN Habitat, are right here in Ghana. So be smart though, because where you trade and live really matters. Apply now and own a home or a fully serviced land. Wait a minute too. Don't forget to join our affiliate housing cooperatives also. Special offers last up to October 31st, 2021. Call us on 055 55 3300 or 0577 911101 and 055 7054 635. Website newaccra.city. Plant City Extension Project, shaping Ghana's urban future.
Mothers of Africa.
Mommy, my day in your day.
And what's the Ufa Geisha Semina Subai? Gina Hopinti na Kowenim. Mempaba. Kosisa wonsa beka weni da swadi nyina.
Matumame, mejina painting akomenim na machapa to say geisha semina.
Be strong and laugh.
Sakratwe FD ajiatu.
Hey, no, what you ready? It's what senior ma. Yeah, what is something special become mania shepeana. Anio. Aha, Samika. Oh, maybe omonesi. Omo kwa. Omo dine boshe soda. Ne tutunke kadia si defe. Sese so die. Ni ram no chankasa. Omo die. Dada na koneni. Na fragrance no.
Chemontadie musa. Omo extra fresh. Etutunke kadia se kura. Ejadian craft we FD ahwehwe mu agye atum say ye.
Hey, me network mbafia me. E wose me di mobile money. Tuya me wo fa workers car. Nanso charges nko 380 cedis.
Wo send this nko ho charges no. Wait there cement 10 bags so. Me ni atie. Se wo be move akọ Vodafone cash and ka wo be save sika bebre.
Vodafone cash. Masa me network ne die.
Tie. Wo send this sika wo sawo network no so no. Yeto wo send this sika free wo network no so akwa network foforo no. Eno so yeto. Na emum tie asem de pa. Wo send this sika wo Vodafone cash so a free. Wo send this sika free Vodafone cash akwa network bia so a eno so ye free. Masa inti wa ka trem. Oda so ye dan wo sawo network no so. Move bra Vodafone cash se
Hey, masa yikship na to bola musisi a.
I know say there wo send this sika wo Vodafone cash so akwa network bia so a free. Send this sika do bia emprend do bia akwa network bia so free. Dial star 110 hash se na send this sika.
Alandia Eva Pio, she said was sorry, na shed a foot for ye. I say, Ebe to me, I yama, baby, I'm out. Alandia Eva milk, what will make you feel like wow?
Anopabia, num Hollandia Evap milk. Vitamin B12 ne calcium womb na ni gumunu so akono. Hollandia Evap milk mano paye de papa. Eje di nkratu FDA agiatum.
Wawolo Jumia wo homa wankasa mayentie kwabena medie metum nyemani nyina na Jumia o afei esi
Me weekend nenso de Jumia party ana ko
ofo na wo so e me mo ndie efie nyema ene mo ka ase nyema de kosoma me pa wo Jumia o Alhaji wo so wo se de me mo ndie me wa shama na de bia Jumia payment free delivery ongana se de pa Jumia wo homa wo de bia hwehwedi obi a wo pe bia e wo Jumia na sie sika pa efie duane e ba fie mu nyema phones makeup and tradition ene nyekeka wo bobre download the Jumia app na wo deals papa ye wo ma Jumia your everyday delivered.
This is Adom FM and this is Jerry Justice.
And we are back. And Chibiane's Rage Radio so Patrol Vodafone Semi Control so the good morning off an Abril. Now the good morning bundle gives you unlimited calls to Vodafone numbers, 5 minutes talk time to other networks, plus 500 MB of data. And the bundle works with any other bundle you will have or will subscribe to. So just call the short code 543 or dial star 543 hash to subscribe to the Vodafone Good Morning offer for only 1 Ghana cedi. Terms and conditions apply. Vodafone, together we can. That's right. A glorious happy birthday, though belated, going out to a sister from another mother, Candy Asante of Maryland. And this one is coming from Francisca, wishing you a happy birthday, God's blessings on your special day. And then a happy birthday going out to Ni Ashifi Nunu, age gracefully, and welcome home from Houston, from Ajwa Magi. Wishing you a happy birthday. Abusua yam nim komo na yam franchise na mpom den wosem no very important. Alaji vision alaji akwaba. Na mpom to say. Na I say my food bisa ne ade.
Akwaba.
Yeah. Na and then our mind turn up here so.
Your time this sir. It's really a bonny makakre bi so. Yo how be sa how no be done so be no afa number no na wa friend ne na twemo. Mpacha wo be nchia kase fi Alhaji Vision Herbal Clinic ade matiefo nyina de ba Adom FM dan kase mu. Na nyuma twedi amponyankopɔ sa hwe so de yankwa kye asama na otwena kwa pra beto ye. Mpacha otie ne ye. Midin awbo am gise Dr. Alhaji amida Alhaji Vision Herbal Clinic ano ewo kokomremre ahaya Adom FM dan kase chimpacha otie ne ye mame. Me boni yoma kakra bi so na se sa how no bi da wo so anai da wo de hye bi na wonua bi na beto no so a pacho de fa number we gi number na sa 0242 81 24 26 0242 81 24 26 0502 18 71 78 pacho tie media bibidro ene dijuma o Alhaji Vision Herbal Clinic ya hode en haban enubna enunsini ene nuanom biaba na twedi amponyankopon de acheme me yesusu ne honam mani adwuma mpacho tie ne ye wo de hye ne wo eye problem bi se eye problem bi da wo so a me pacho men koye operation tu anamo behumi ansa se fibroid bia beto de hye no so a eno so menkoye ho operation na de bia ya meka se fibroid operation is a wo ye operation na ebesan eden afefe akwese dua ye twa so omo ma ye fibroid operation nyina wo ya esan ba wan hwe ye be wi ase ne ekoyi wa wo de oba Alhaji Vision Herbal Clinic memma wo draw obenum a ebe na ne sa fibroid na free ho amu awo afa ho afa ba mpache oteni ye awo ho ha bi na beto de hye no so se wo temi nka ka wakoma to yem ani ho ha wo da wo so mpache otemi de kan bo so glaucoma ba wani so ete na aba so ese brane mfa duru so so na se teni nyina wa be ye operation mpache da bi wo de je number no 0242 81 24 26 0242 81 24 26 0502 18 71 78 0502 18 71 78 epacho tenie se diabetes aye wo de hye no wo de akini abre obi ho se ma num nro 10 to 5 years and to me compatibility ye numa dro man ho toye ne yenkase ye numa dro we yenkwa na nyina oba eyen haban nro insha Allah me de kan diabetes ne be ko BP na aba wo so a me se wa num nro ache no compatibility ne ye mema wo enro kwa wo de be guku bensom insha Allah wonum sa do na BP ne be ba fom eye problem na da wo so compatibility tiare bia betos wo dwen ho a won tiase sisiare bi so da wo so compatibility ne ye medium yare bi da wo so enkoma ye mfa machine bi nsan koye de enkobobo wo so compatibility ka kra sa wo de nam rough road so a wo honam timi ye wo ya na wasan kwa akoda on yesa de machi pa twedi amponyankopɔ acha me haban enubra enusini uba bia ye wo ya bia mpacho de je number we 0242 81 24 26 0242 81 24 26 0502 18 71 78 mpacho tenie we ya bema bia o mema nsem kofom wa ye mre wo mpampacho tu na mobra e bia we ya be bia wo so opese wo so tie no so tu na mobra mpacho tie wo de hye na tonsa no mtenten bia wonom nsa wi cocaine tramo mpacho tie de bia ya mbu be se nya adwene pene se wo hoja so akola no wahwe ne ye de na ko school papa bi ene wo jai no te kwanche no wonom wi cocaine tramo mpacho tu na mo ne fa ne bra Alhaji Vision Herbal Clinic mpacho tie spiritual marriage e bi da so oda no obi ne wa beda wonam mpacho tie ne ye eya de bone ese wunwuma ema oyare ebetima ma syphilis ne gonorrhea bi ubonu madura awo injection entumi incompatibility enam se doctor na ohwe wono enam se bia sabi oni ani nti no ohwe na sade ne esunsum yare a entumi nko e wona oba Alhaji Vision Herbal Clinic compatibility me se me yesunsum ne honamani adwuma insha Allah wa how bia betan so ache mpanifo se wan titi atechi mancha wonya nsupa nom enkase obi betena ha kan wo ko ya nye yenti wo compatibility na mo ne bra Alhaji Vision Herbal Clinic e ho de se wa how no so sen kra se wo de ba ho insha Allah obenya wo fa hodie mpacho gi number no 0242 81 24 26 0242 81 24 26 0502 18 7 bia wo ho abose woni ne eya wo hene oprosasa mpacho tie eno ba be ma onura obenom nyankopon ya dom a ni nyina beko amwo nya wo fa ahodie mpacho tie ne ye mame wo de me se wo how bi da so wo de ananti ache wo chini ache wo labs wo twa scan ache wo nya ho ayare sampacho ji number mami 0242 81 24 26 0242 81 24 26 0502 18 71 78 0502 18 71 78 me pacho teni ye mami se fibroid abeto so men koye operation se wo eye problem bia men koye operation Alhaji Vision Herbal Clinic e ho ayen haban no menye operation wo ho ene yen fadro so nyede enwu ye ni so e ya draw obenom kwa na yi bo afri wani so obenom na etena aba wani so na afri so obenom na glaucoma na yesi aba wani so a eni adro no inshallah twedi amponyankopon asem se eni dua na ba yen fa haban ye de ensa yare e na twedi amponyankopon bia mani honamani ni sunsum mpacho tie wadwom ho awo na atamfo kuntia wo no office wa bia wote no ye kuntia wo mpacho tie ni ye mame bra ne bra na de hawo no nipa bia opese ode hawo bi to so opese otoyare bi ma wo e ma wadwuma sen mpacho tie ni ye oba mehwem de hawo bia meka che owie so inshallah mebo ho mpa ya mama twedi amponyankopon de ayi afru so mpacho de number no 0242 81 24 26 0242 81 24 26 me pacho tie me kan kwesi se obi nso asabe wawo akola bia oyɛ mre a wontumi nante obi awo akola bi oyɛ mre ontumi nante mpacho onfa ne mre me obi akola bi mpacho tie ni ye mame wo de wo se me se wo akola oyɛ mre ontumi nante me won haban bi ho insha Allah me de ka akola na obenante But your side problem ni bia beto so aye how and da so e say wakoma e tete fa ne bra large vision hebagen kokomremre Adom FM dankesi echi but you yira atu na mo ne bra Joy FM ubusa security for say ohwe large vision herbal clinic asabi menyuma panti umbe so onsa de waba but you na say wo de frame me so wo frame ya wo how ne amane bia da so bia no but you me ye free so ma ho ataw awo ho how na beto so but you tie e ho de yen koto ba ma e yen haban no ane de beye say ya to ato so say we ye wedding ni wie na say bia baifo ato so say ye ma wo wo inshallah say wo wura ho no ma baifo mu ni to me Jadi am ponya ko pa ma metumi be bom pa ya me do wura mpa bom insha Allah sa how na da so no be ko akwala no ko school timpachuti ya to e kire bia beton so broni kan epilepsy e ha nkwala no enye nkwala no ko e ha nipa e titi nipa brabo ye toma me pa chutie ya to bia ma wo de hye no wo de akini ache wunya no adu atu na anamon bra Large Vision Herbal Clinic pa choje number no 0242 81 24 26 0242 81 24 26 0502 18 71 78 but you tell me say be ma wa yemre won pam de bia ntokwa na ofie to na mo ne bra
fancy
eya bibi to
fan news no entraso next week there they can atraso what can so I was saying fancy let's check our time let's wait for the news at 6 on 106.3 Adom FM. Yes, check our time already. As like I say, I'm coming out any was on here tonight. Free no me and Sabri Bepim Sabri. Ya no see we boy. Nyame on shop say stations be rebellion. I found Kwanko to be biana. Reto ana uti OfieKwanso. Nyame ema on yensha. As they don't come out team no Papa Bills African Jamestown J Cole. To now say I'm for J2 Kwame or Boa there Obri Boa Fenten frame.